जिम जाता है कभी कभी
हाँ
पर तू बिजी है उसके बाद समझ तू इमीडिएटली सेक्स करने जा रहा है तो ये
correct.
लिया इधर 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 थोड़ा थोड़ा मल लिया
यस देयर यू गो इट्स डन
बट डज इट वर्क
हाँ गया एक छोटा कचरा का पीस था वो चला गया अंदर
I honestly got it because I wanted to clean my PlayStation.
Hey, I also have this.
I had a thing in my head about Bandra aunties की like oh we have a person for everything like is there someone to tell you what an asshole you are इसमें से क्या निकलता है इसमें से तो शर्म भी नहीं निकल रही तो ये जब से मैंने अपने स्टैंड अप वीडियो में डाली तो मेरे को सीधा मैसेजेस आने लगे इंस्टाग्राम रिक्वेस्ट में सेक्स क्वेश्चन मार्क
But this is not Tiffany, na?
टिफनी तेरी सगे वाली थोड़ी ना सब कलर लेके घूमेगी
What a start to this podcast.
आई एम सो एक्साइटेड
Hello. Welcome back to Spender Bender. I am here with Govind. Say
Yes,
Govind.
Govind, hi. Say Govind. I'll
Say
say
Govind.
Hi.
We have our producer Antariksh.
हेलो
He has his own camera today.
Yeah. Today, for the
Hey.
first time ever, he has his
Yes, budgets
camera.
have gone up, man.
I didn't know that was allowed. I didn't know he could just bring his
yeah.
own camera.
I've been
and
going
put
on my own
himself
Spender
there.
Benders.
That's
This
insane.
feels illegal.
Yeah, he is just infiltrated somehow. And today we also have the OG Bandra baddie with us.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes,
God.
give it up for Mr. Bhavish,
Thank
everyone.
you,
Yes.
thank you, thank you guys.
Welcome,
What's up?
Bhavish.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much for
Thank
coming,
you.
Bhavish.
It's nice to be here.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Good,
How's
good.
life?
There's no spot boy here to dab. So my first purchase, before you even asked, I had hidden it from you for so long.
I didn't expect
So-
to start immediately.
No, I know. I'm sorry.
No,
but,
great.
I have to dab first.
Okay,
The camera.
sure. We've been
So wet wipe.
just for context, we've been sitting outside for the past 15 minutes. Bhavish
wet wipe.
waited to dab himself.
Yeah.
Yeah. You said there's a tissue, but that's a dry tissue.
That's a dry
That's
tissue.
a-
Yeah, that's not too
this is
bad.
a wet wipe.
Correct.
That's true. So,
Yes.
like, those are sachets you buy separately, or
It's a pack of 6. Like 6 के अंदर ऐसे मतलब एक के अंदर 10 आते हैं तो 60 और something you get for 300 or something.
Oh,
60
that's a
you
good
get
deal.
for
Something like
300.
that, yeah,
That's a
yeah.
good deal.
तो जिम के
And is it
बाद
scented?
हाँ sorry
Is it scented?
Yes. You want to smell it now?
No, not now. Not now. We don't
You
want
want
to
to smell the packet?
Yeah.
Go for it.
What scent is this? Clean, soothe, moisturize, hydrate. Okay.
It's fresh fragrance. That's what it is.
Oh, that's-
yeah,
it's very
that's the
fresh.
fragrance. It's fresh.
So समझ
Oh, it's actually
for you
very
for you
fresh.
this
It's
is
super
like
fresh,
because you have a life, you live a life. You
Dude,
are,
I haven't
you are a big
left
deal.
my house for 4 days before this.
4 days is nothing. So समझ तू जैसे जिम जाता है कभी कभी
हाँ.
पर तू बिजी है
नहीं,
तो तू
नहीं जाता.
immediate
नहीं जाता,
For the
मैं
sake
हाँ
of
क्यों
it
बोला?
मैं बोल रहा
तू
हूँ.
जाता है
मैं घर
तो
से
सब
करता हूँ वर्कआउट, बट हाँ.
वर्कआउट करता है उसके बाद समझ तू इमीडिएटली सेक्स करने जा रहा है
हाँ,
तो तेरे को टाइम नहीं है बीच में तो ये
Correct.
लिया इधर 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 थोड़ा थोड़ा मल लिया
बस यही और perfume also on top of it.
गोविंद
Is it
को नहीं
enough?
जरूरत,
अच्छा, अच्छा.
गोविंद फेरोमोन का
मगर
लोशन
देख,
लगाता
अगर
है
मैं जिम जा रहा हूँ कपड़े तो मतलब गंदे ही रहेंगे ना यार तभी.
पर तू है ना हम
क्या?
लोग नहीं कर सकते ये सब
हम लोग पुल ऑफ नहीं कर सकते
हाँ,
Wait,
तू
why are you
करेगा
including
तो
me in
रहेगा।
this also? I also just
देखो
agreed.
शान तेरे को नहीं समझेगा ये सब, ठीक है. ये-
सॉरी तू
हम लोग क्या
यू एंड मी
थोड़ा yeah, I'm more closer to you than I am.
ये रगिड है ये ऐसे ऐसे लड़के सेक्सी होते हैं ना तो कुछ नहीं नहाए नहीं भी तो रगिड हो जाता है
What a start. What a start to this
हम
podcast.
लोग में डर्टी वी आर डर्टी ही इज
Yeah,
रगिड
apparently you have too much sex appeal. I have no sex appeal.
yeah. I love how you've been dragged into this.
Sorry,
for no
my
reason.
bad.
But okay,
Yeah.
we want to know what
Yeah.
is your relationship with money, Bhavish? How are you with money in general?
I calculate how much I'm going to the next month's incoming is and I spend it in advance on the credit card.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, what?
let's
Okay,
go.
that's
But if I
perfect.
save 5 to 10%,
Yeah.
then I've started investing in equities and I've built a
Oh.
portfolio
Oh,
last
nice.
few months. Because वायरल नहीं जा रहा स्टैंड अप इन साल से तो मेरा करियर कंपाउंड नहीं हो रहा है तो पैसा तो कंपाउंड होना
I
चाहिए.
like तो पहले पैसा खर्चा करता है तू
हाँ.
and then you save the rest.
Dude, same.
हाँ,
Yeah,
Nice.
credit card है ना?
Nice. That's the
Maybe-
opposite of
so
what
you're
these
also-
finance bros say.
Correct.
And I think this is the right approach. पहले खर्चा कर दो,
हाँ.
खुश करो खुद को.
So you also live 1 month behind, right?
I mean I pay them back. So I don't pay interest and all, so it's okay.
So you look at the income coming and then you
But
are
sometimes
like,
the income doesn't come.
What happens then? Because like as freelancers, our payments also get
Yes,
delayed, right?
yes,
So there are
yes.
those periods where you have no money coming in, the bill is piling up. What do you do
I
then?
mostly do stand up, so most of it is in like
Advance,
half
yeah,
50%
yeah,
advance
yeah.
at least. So
Okay, so you plan it accordingly,
Wow,
even though you're
okay.
bad with money and you
Yeah,
use credit
yeah.
cards to
Yeah.
survive on, but
and
you're
no
still,
cost EMI is the thing.
it has changed my life.
And people are criticizing no cost EMI, but it's like first of all, no cost genuinely when they are not charging you interest, and you know कि per month अगर कोई मतलब फोन है मेरा 60,000 का,
हाँ.
24 months में अगर कुछ 2,500 है उसकी
हाँ.
EMI, तो आई एम पेइंग 2,500 रेंटल टू द
Correct.
कंपनी इन अ वे,
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah,
बिकॉज 2
yeah.
साल ही फोन यूज करेगा
Correct,
ज़्यादा।
correct.
तो मैं अगर 2,500 का रेंट दे रहा हूँ और मैं एक हाई एंड 12 GB रैम का एंड्रॉइड फोन यूज कर रहा हूँ,
कितने
तो
Why
टाइम का
not?
EMI कितने
Why
टाइम
not?
का EMI
This is 24 months. he's
this
talking
is my
about.
largest one, is 24 months
24 fuck
because it's
it.
65,000 rupee phone or something.
But it
But the
fucking
thing is,
ruins you because my phone, I got this iPhone last time I got this iPhone 14. I took it for 18 months. I understand if it's no cost EMI, mine is 16%
Oh, you pay
interest.
full
Interest
interest?
नहीं
It's
No,
18
never,
months.
never.
Interest नहीं
It's
भरना चाहिए।
18 months. I am
It's a lot.
so
That's a dumb-
tired
Yeah,
of
no,
paying
no,
it.
no,
You know,
no.
once I paid my bank the whole thing when I got some money, I was like, I don't want to keep doing this. I paid the whole thing.
Yeah.
They sent it back. They were like, नहीं नहीं एक साथ नहीं कर सकते,
Yeah.
एक महीना करके भेजो हम लोग को. So now I'm stuck here, dude, with
So
16%.
you thought you'll just pay off the full
Yeah, I was like,
principal
let me
amount
just
एक बार
get
में.
done with it.
They're dumb like that. They
Yeah.
just agree like, yeah, don't pay us interest
अरे
anymore.
the next day it came back. I was like,
Of
मुझे
course.
नहीं चाहिए ये पैसा
Yeah.
यार, रखो तुम लोग.
How will they charge you interest otherwise?
Yeah.
They charge you foreclosure charges. मतलब for paying them early,
Early
you will have
also.
to pay them more. 3%
That
or
is
some
so
nonsense.
But what if
annoying.
you get so when you buy a phone, you know you're going to use it for the next 2 years.
Yes.
You're absolutely certain about that. You're
Yes.
not like, okay, what if something new comes out and I
Sure,
want
sure,
that?
sure.
Are you?
No.
No?
No, no.
That's where you're better than us.
And
Yeah.
if I'm buying something expensive, I convince myself that it's an investment for my career because ऐसा होता नहीं है कुछ भी. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे गोविंद जैसे मैंने एक एंगल से सेल्फी कैम डाल दी,
अरे
दूसरे
but
एंगल
you
से.
also you do a front cam thing only,
Sure,
ना?
sure,
You need
sure.
a good camera.
बट ये इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है. तू कोई भी चीज को इन्वेस्टमेंट बोलना तो तू सबसे
मैंने-
चूतिया परचेज भी
Dude,
जस्टिफाई कर लेगा.
जो भी हम खरीदते हैं यहाँ पर, मैं उसको business expense करके ही करता हूँ. You know, yesterday I was talking to a friend. That's when I realized I made a huge fuck up with this
With?
whole podcast
Why?
buying thing because I buy random shit and I make it look like it's a business expense
Yeah.
for the podcast.
Yeah.
It's an excuse, but I buy it. Yesterday my friend was like, "Do you return them back once you buy it?" I was like, "No." I was like, "Wait, that's a fucking option."
Yeah.
अच्छा, you never returned anything.
I have a metal detector now. I don't know what to do with that metal detector.
Why did you buy it initially? Why did you?
I just
You
because
it
I
on
saw
Amazon,
it.
Like, it'll be a fun thing to talk about on the podcast. So we
Oh,
bought
okay.
it.
And also the fact that I can buy a metal detector was just
Sure.
very funny to me, so I bought
Sure.
it. But I forgot I can return it. Tell
You always
Amazon.
can. I use mental health as an excuse a lot. Like I got a
Yeah.
recliner recently.
Yeah.
Like, okay, because this is for my mental health. I want to be at
Sure.
peace. I want to be comfortable.
Yeah.
And I put that on EMI, no cost EMI for 18 months.
Yeah.
सब
So that you
चीज़ों
can sit on that same chair and think about the next EMI.
But wait, your snacks. Coming back to your snacks,
Dude,
do you
yeah.
like you find you've given me like I mean I've got to know about new snacks because
Yes.
of you.
He has dedicated drawers for
Drawer,
snacks.
yeah,
कि
drawer.
यहाँ पे मखाना है,
Yeah,
उसके
yeah,
नीचे
yeah.
रागी वाला है.
yeah. You remember everything. Yeah, मैं शुगर फ्री बहुत चीज़ें मंगाता हूँ जिसमें
हाँ.
मैं रीड करता हूँ कि सुक्रोलोस हो, जो भी टाइप का शुगर फ्री मैं खाता हूँ. तो मैंने रिसेंटली डिस्कवर किया है बादाम के स्टिक्स होते हैं ना,
बादाम के
बादाम के
sticks.
sticks होते हैं.
लाइक मतलब या आमंड के दे मेक इट्स कॉल्ड बादामिका. Yeah, like when I'm alone and I'm like lonely, I'm like badamika. Like I talk to it also.
Yeah, sounds like a woman's name.
Yeah.
But wait,
And oh, the
Badamika-
other product that company has is Chocomika.
Choco Mika.
Yeah.
What's the name of the company, Mika?
Anand. But this is a Bangalore-based company. It's very popular.
Okay.
Anand Badamika and Chocomika.
Yeah.
क्या उसके बच्चों का नाम है?
हाँ, ऐसे ही कोई बिल्डिंग में क्रिकेट खेलते होंगे, बोलते हैं बादामिको के देखो हमेशा गेट के बाहर भागती रहती है. It's like that.
क्या है बादामिका? क्या sticks?
या सो शुगर फ्री में भी बादामिका है. मैंने दोस्त के घर पे मैंने शुगर वाला वर्जन खाया एक दो. मैं बोला वाओ दिस ग्रेट. फिर मैंने अमेजोन पे देखा शुगर फ्री का वर्जन था, मैंने मंगाया और आई फिनिश 3/4 ऑफ द बॉक्स इन वन गो. देन आई आस्क्ड माय मॉम डू यू वांट एंड देन शी टुक सम एंड फिर एक ही बचा था और अभी एक स्टिक बचा के गया, वो भी खा ली. तो एक दिन में डब्बा खत्म हो गया.
और फिर चोकोमिका क्या है?
चोकोमिका में शुगर फ्री नहीं है अब तक, तो मैंने मंगाया नहीं है. वो स्टॉक में नहीं था तो मैंने मंगाया नहीं.
Okay, let's get to products now.
Yes.
आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. प्लीज.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
You wanna
start.
start?
Yes,
I'll
go
just
for it,
start
Shailu. Go
things
for it,
so
go
that
for
we
it.
eventually
We
reach
get to
yours.
you.
Yes,
Okay.
no, that's
First, so in the last episode, I'd gotten coffee. I had a portable French press and all, okay?
Sure.
But what I didn't talk about was until a few months back, I used to enjoy, this was for myself, I used to enjoy drinking coffee from this mug. That's why it's dirty, okay, before you say anything, because I haven't used it in a while. It's this is my coffee mug, dude. This and this. These were my coffee
Disgusting.
mugs for because it's
Why is it so dirty?
because I haven't used it
Okay.
in a while.
Wait, I have something to match
No, no,
this.
no.
I know I have my chance.
Oh
nahi
no,
aaya
no,
hai.
get it. It's fine.
But something is matching this, so I'll show you, na.
Yeah.
You can have this coffee with this light.
Oh my god.
With this remote, this light comes. It's not some any chutia light.
Wait, you have to plug it in, na? though.
No, but it's like
There are modes?
10, 50%, 100%
Brightness?
brightness and time. कितने टाइम में बंद करना है ना?
बंद करना है.
इतना टेक्नोलॉजी ये तो भाई एक मग है बस यार मेरा तो बस
I'm just imagining a corner where you have plugged in this light,
Yeah.
you're drinking coffee in this mug while petting a pet duck also.
Your own pet duck.
this here you go, man.
Yeah,
This mug is just I enjoy drinking from what the fuck is this, dude? ये मतलब I don't even know how long this has been in my house. I've just seen it.
Glucoside. Wait, you know those what MR products are, which
No.
these doctors get for free?
Ah,
It's
must be
more
one of
than
those.
Netflix. It's one of those. Dude.
Must be one of those, dude.
Oh, yeah,
this
it's a
has
dawai
been
ka
in my
naam.
house for years. I don't even know
You have a
where it
doctor in
came
your
from.
house?
क्या पता? My dad used to work in pharma ना, तो उसके
yeah,
वजह
this
से
is
आया रहेगा.
definitely a pharma
Yeah,
product.
yeah,
I
yeah,
grew
yeah.
up on
Yeah.
these. Yeah,
फार्मा
yeah,
वाले ये क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? ये बना रहे हैं क्या फार्मा वाले?
बच्चे
ये
लोग
भी
को वो होते हैं ना कि बच्चे डरे नहीं इंजेक्शन के
वही
टाइम.
होगा. मैं adult 31-year-old adult कॉफी पी रहा हूँ इससे. But it's just fun. शाम को it's to amuse myself
Yeah.
कि मैं बस इससे. Okay, my next
What is
product.
What is this brown
Yeah, what
one?
about this, brother?
I
What
don't
is-
know. I don't know
This
where
is-
both
this
of
is
these things
scary.
have come
It's kinda
from.
scary. It's
Yeah,
not
this is
cute.
creepy.
Oh, I know where this is from.
She
got a candle
she
over
got
there?
it for me.
No. I wish it was a cute story.
Right before gym.
Yeah.
I know I bought it only for myself. I was at
Okay.
Cadbury ka factory
Oh, this
in
is a Cadbury
Birmingham.
mascot?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this
I think
is
you just got this to flex, to tell
No,
us you
I
went to
just
Cadbury.
remembered. This is what I wanted to get. This is to accompany that. That's it. This though is my product, dude. This has been, I think I've had this for 15 years easy.
You don't have coffee in this, dude. You have to have like juice or something or breast
You
milk.
can't have anything. Breast milk.
But this is so impractical ना मतलब.
It's very impractical.
गिरता भी होगा ना ये
नहीं,
circular.
गिरता नहीं
है.
है.
Okay.
गिरता नहीं है. नहीं मत पी
It's
भाई ये
planet
बहुत
तो
गंदा
बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहा है
हाँ.
इसमें से.
My next is, so the other day I was buying vegetables from Blinkit.
Of course.
Okay. So along with vegetables, I just bought a toy machine gun because it was available on Blinkit. Dude, they sell a lot of toys. Did you know that?
They have a full section
Full
called toys
section
and
called
stationery.
toys. They said this is this week's special. I was like, okay, if this is this week's special, then I'll check it out, dude. I still don't know how to assemble this, by the way.
इसके नीचे लिखा है QC pass. Quality check. That means there were two grown men pointing a toy machine gun at each other, and they were like,
And then
"This is somebody's job."
Eventually, it ended with another grown man.
Yeah.
There's no kid involved
Yeah,
in
yeah,
this whole
yeah.
machine
I
gun.
love their version of camouflage. Huh? It's just
Yeah.
3 shades of green.
Dude,
Camouflage.
I don't know how to assemble this. And I don't know what this does. I thought this was like a Nerf gun.
How
Oh
much
no.
you pay for this?
500 something.
You thought you were going to Nerf gun in 500 bucks?
नहीं मिलता क्या?
नहीं
No.
भाई.
अबे क्या भाई?
नहीं
क्या
नहीं
माइक
महंगा होता है. वही सही बोल रहा है तू. महंगा होता है ना.
Nerf gun. I'm just trying to assemble it.
नहीं अब ये पॉडकास्ट में नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे को लगता है ये.
Dude, but like it's 500 में नहीं आता Nerf gun.
नहीं.
Dude, I didn't have Nerf guns as a kid, so I just
You still
wanted.
don't.
I also when I used to work in digital marketing we used to do it in the office and all.
Nerf gun?
हाँ.
कितने का आता है Nerf guns?
But it's all over 1500 2000 and all.
Oh, it's
Yeah, and you have to buy you have to keep buying the जो भी उसके अंदर जाता है ना. गुम होएगा
The
ना वो.
Nerf?
हाँ नर्फ बोलते हैं उसको.
I
Nerf भी
think
बोलते हैं
the
क्या?
pellets or
हाँ,
pellets.
pellets,
Nerf
pellets.
pellets. हाँ.
तो
वो I
No, but वो बार-बार वो reuse कर सकते हैं वो. They're
हाँ
like
हाँ
bullets. हाँ.
हाँ बट वो अगर समय ऐसे उड़ के कोई कीबोर्ड के नीचे चला
अच्छा,
गया
वैसे हाँ.
किसी के ब्लाउज के नीचे चला गया
तू
तो
मत खरीदो भाई अभी Nerf
नहीं
यार
बोलना
मेरे को
चाहिए था.
बचपन में मेरे पास नहीं था. I just had those trucks and all, toy trucks and like Hot Wheels का सब,
Yeah.
but never a gun.
I mean, see, the build quality is
Toy
not
gun.
terrible for 500. It's just if you can figure out how to put it
500
together.
सस्ता होता है क्या? I thought
हाँ
इतने
भाई
नहीं
बहुत
आता
सस्ता
है.
है यार. तू बच्चे मत कर लियो गलती से.
यार मेरे पास कभी था नहीं तो मेरे को बस I needed to live my childhood as an adult, so I just bought it.
Yeah,
And
just
Blinkit
time
दे
to
रहा
go.
था 10 मिनट में तो मैं ले लिया.
Did it say Nerf gun anywhere?
It said toy gun.
you know the childhood reliving का भी इसलिए मैं reels देखता हूँ where they show all these old games like Mario तो अपनी जगह but you know all these old arcade games where space shooter and all. I don't think we feel nostalgic because the graphics are not good. It's because like as children we played them. So for
Yeah.
us it's nostalgia.
Yeah.
But if you show it to a kid today who
Yeah,
has no
they will
memory
not
of this,
understand it.
they'll be like, "This is garbage. Why are the graphics so bad?"
I
They
don't
will
like
not
it.
be
I
like,
to
"It's so
grew up on
simple."
those and I can't play those anymore. I can't play Contra. It's not nostalgic for me. It's just bad graphics.
I mean,
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but Contra was I haven't played it in a while.
There's
So
a new
you
Contra
can't
out.
really relive your childhood because you are not that relaxed right now in life. You are
That's
not that
true,
carefree.
correct,
So we are
correct.
all trying to as adults do little things that we can connect to that part of our life. But no matter how much money you spend on something, you are not a child now.
So are you saying this was a waste?
It could be because you might pay a 100 rupee no cost EMI on this. You never know. So
weekly EMI.
yeah.
Weekly EMI 500 रुपए में
Yeah.
बस ऐसा 100 रुपए
Yeah,
5
exactly.
week के लिए.
तो उसमें क्या मजा है?
People who are reliving their childhood have already achieved the things they wanted to achieve.
Right.
अबे
You don't have everything. I want an OLED TV.
Yeah.
I
Or
don't
they are
have an
very
OLED
old.
TV.
Or they are very old. They're like, your inner child should be alive. I'm like, yeah, but you're barely alive. So you can say all this. You can go on a roller coaster at 75. I mean, तू वैसे भी 77 तक ही पहुंचने वाला था. रोलर कोस्टर में malfunction भी हो गया तो क्या 1-2 साल का ही फर्क पड़ा. मतलब your inner child is alive
भाई,
because
ये
you're
gun
bored.
तू-
Everyone is ignoring
तेरे
you.
पास होना चाहिए गन. तू बातें ऐसे कर रहा है. तू लेके गन मर जा साले 2 साल पहले ही मर जा वाला.
So actually, at 77, when I'm done with life, I'll look for a 1-star amusement park.
Yeah,
yeah,
I'll go
yeah.
to the most scariest
Yes, yes.
roller coaster of all
That's a good way
time.
to
किसको
go.
चोट लगी है? कौन से वाले में चोट
Yeah,
लगी थी
yeah,
लोगों को?
yeah.
मैं वहाँ
I'll
जा
check
रहा
it
हूँ. तो आई कांट असेंबल दिस.
yeah.
तो ये मैं ब्लिंकिट तो रिटर्न भी नहीं लेता है यार. तो अब मैं रिटर्न भी नहीं
No, you
कर
have to
you can, you
do
can.
customer care and all that.
हाँ हाँ.
Oh,
मतलब
you
मेरा
can.
तो पूरा ट्विटर यही है कि हाय आई
I've
हैड
seen your Twitter.
माय ट्विटर इज लाइक दैट ओनली
I've
माय
received-
ऑर्डर नंबर 140
I've received messages from him कि hey, can you retweet my
Yes,
complaint
yes.
on Twitter?
अरे मैं जिसके लिए
I've
ओपनिंग
gotten a notification from Twitter कि भावेश has tweeted and
Yes,
it's
yes.
just कि Airtel.
Yes,
What is this
yes, yes.
Airtel? अबे, तो इसका notification पे
या या मेरा ट्विटर है ही इसके लिए नहीं तो मैं रखता नहीं सॉरी
You
द
complained
वॉच
about the
थिंग
watch also, ना?
दिस वॉच ओनली व्हेन आई हैड बॉट दिस तो मेरे को शॉपर स्टॉप ने टूटी हुई भेजी थी फिर वो लोग मान नहीं रहे थे रिफंड का तो मैंने वो और फिर मैंने दूसरी जगह से ली तो वो ट्वीट मैं जिसके लिए ओपनिंग भी करता हूँ ना मतलब जैसे मैंने अनिर्बन को भेज दिया मैंने सबको कि हे सॉरी आई नो दिस नॉट रिलेटेड टू कॉमेडी एंड सबने इग्नोर किया वो मैसेज
Hey, don't pay me money, but
Yeah.
please retweet
Yeah.
this.
और उसके बाद मैंने पूछा कि कैन आई ओपन फॉर यू तो बोलते यस सर मतलब जवाब दे रहे वो मैसेज दे वर लाइक आई एम नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस मैन्स लाइक डेली एंगर अगेंस्ट कॉर्पोरेशंस यू नो
How are
His
you
own consumer
having
code.
problems?
Yeah.
Can we put a screenshot of like some of your tweets?
go for it there's lots
I know.
there's lot the reason is actually I don't think that I am having more problems I think I am expressing them on that platform so they get recorded you
Yeah.
guys sit through toll free number or
No,
dial
I to just give up.
It does
1800
accelerate the process
Yeah.
for sure.
तू टाइप करके अगर भेज देगा तो when they get back to you they will get back to you you are still living your life
Correct.
Yeah.
it's my Twitter exists. I know it looks very like ये uncle is just getting angry at companies, but it's way better than press because they make it so difficult to access. Bill Burr also has a joke. They make it so difficult to speak to a person.
Person,
Yeah.
Press 2, press 3, press 8, press 9, and then your balance. I
Do-
mean, I have.
Every time you tweet, do your followers increase? Is
Nobody
someone
cares.
like, oh, this is the
Nobody
kind
cares.
of content I want
Nobody cares.
see?
But I get 20. Oddly, I get between 21 to like 30 views. That means there is a whole following of people,
People are
who's
going through
creepily
this
watching
issue.
it
Yeah,
today.
yeah,
What
yeah.
product he's getting angry at, but they are not engaging. They just open and they probably send it to each other on WhatsApp. कि ये चालू हो गया ये चालू. Yeah, yeah.
I want to. I mean, I see all of this. That's why I know
Yeah,
I'm one
yeah.
of those 20
Yeah,
30
yeah,
people. मैं देख
why
मेरे
don't
को
you click
notification आ रहा है भाई तो फिर.
So you've turned on notifications for my.
retweeted watch
खुद
thing.
से आया था. But like I check it every time I go on Twitter. I see your thing कि today Titan ये वो
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
भी
yeah,
हो.
yeah, yeah, yeah. मेरा यही है and also to BMC about roads and all
Oh,
that.
BMC, yeah,
Yeah.
BMC भी है.
तो मेरे को एक रील दिखा which was very well produced, very well shot. ठीक है
Yeah.
उसमें ऐसे white लोग भी थे. And
Oh.
they were using
Oh.
this.
Oh, white लोग थे तो भाई
Oh.
white लोग थे तो मैं.
It's finally in India, okay? And उसमें था ये 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner.
Okay.
So I ordered it. It was for like $400 and it seemed too good to be true. This is exactly how it was delivered. Huh? By the way, there was no packaging, there was no tape.
Wait, you got it from Amazon?
No. It was their own website. ऐसे दिखा रहे थे कि it's for 4,000 but 95% off. So I got it for like 400 something.
95% off.
That's just a technique, yeah,
of
but
course
yeah.
it's a technique.
But
I thought
I've never
even
seen
if it's-
95 and all. 50, 40 was of the
It was
day.
Yeah,
95.
yeah.
Like, I have to get this. And I thought even if it's like 10% of what they're showing, it'll
Yeah.
be fine.
Correct.
It's 1%. It's not 10.
कुछ खींचता नहीं है मतलब.
आया
ये और
ऐसा था।
कचरा डालता है.
इसमें कुछ tape नहीं था and this is all I got. There's no way. There's no like guide on how to put it together.
Same with my gun also. There's no guide.
Yeah.
ऐसा है ये. इसमें attachments हैं. Apparently it's 3-in-1. I don't know how, but इसमें एक Type C cable आया which I'm gonna use.
Yeah.
Which I think this is worth 400 in by itself. It's
There's
not.
no
It's like
way.
Not this
150.
one.
There's no way this is worth 400. That type C.
Not this
अबे
one.
ये ऐसे फेंकते हैं वो लोग प्रोडक्ट
हाँ,
के
ये
साथ
तो-
डालते हैं हर प्रोडक्ट के साथ.
But my favorite part about this is on the box, it says warning, no charging, no use in
use.
bold.
I mean, there's no. You don't really have an option.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying, but it's a warning.
Yeah, it's a warning.
Because a lot of people have probably complained.
Yo,
that
you-
it's
Yeah,
not
as if without charging you use it and you enter another dimension. Yeah,
warning, don't
yeah,
do that.
like some.
You'll go in the future.
Yeah.
Timeline will collapse.
There you go.
Hey, wow, do that with your gun. I think.
There you go. It's done.
But does it work?
Does it work?
I have no
Wait.
clue.
Can you use it on my soul and see?
थोड़ा और कचरा डालेगा भाई.
Dust off your soul a little bit.
हाँ गया एक छोटा कचरा का पीस था वो चला गया अंदर.
So how did you conclude it's not even 1%? You have not even used it.
Yeah.
Because I was not able to put it together.
Dude,
Oh.
I'm sorry. This was so easy to. तू बात किया तब तक मैंने कर दिया ये.
Dude, मैंने 3-4 बार try किया and honestly I haven't even charged it, so I don't know how it's working.
तो वो लोग थोड़ा चार्ज करके दे देते हैं ना in the beginning.
Dude, are you? Oh,
अबे कचरा ही नहीं है मैं क्या करूँ किस
Yeah.
पे यूज
oh,
करूँ.
okay, not bad then. Okay, yeah, this is my product. I really enjoy it now. I honestly got it because I wanted to clean my PlayStation.
I like how you created a whole narrative कि I can't. तूने
Yeah.
बॉक्स से नहीं खोला रहेगा.
I tried
तूने
assembling it in front of Antariksh also, and I was just not able to. Also, it didn't help.
Oh okay.
This is the back side. Apparently, it works for both the sides.
The fuck.
ये मैंने कर लिया था figure out. This is the
अरे
duster.
एक blowing in है और
हाँ,
एक
एक
blowing
blowing
out
out
है. हाँ. तो वो कंप्यूटर का अगर एक मिनट उसमें दिखा उसकी प्रेशर
ये
दिखा.
हाँ तेरे कंप्यूटर
Yeah,
के लिए
yeah,
तो ये
हाँ.
बहुत
Oh
अच्छा
my
है.
God, I'm buying this.
But is it good?
या इसका प्रेशर इतने प्रेशर से हवा आती है तो कंप्यूटर का क्योंकि मैं तेरे को पता मेरे को कंप्यूटर का हवा निकालने का क्या है मैं लाया हूँ
हाँ.
मतलब
फूंक मार देगा?
इट्स
मेरे पास भी ये फूक मारने वाला.
Hey,
Yeah.
I also have this.
सो आई थिंक दैट्स वे बेटर राइट
Ooh, yeah, dude.
दैट्स
Oh
वे
my
बेटर
God, ऐसा लगता है कि
हाँ,
प्री इंडिपेंडेंस
years.
एरा से लेके आया है तो ये चीज.
Yeah,
वो
it's
ये
old.
लग रहा है क्या बोलते हैं उसको लट्टू हाँ. But this works though. I have this.
It's your forearms will get jacked if you use it. I mean, it works, but it doesn't mean you should use it.
मेरे पास
I would rather hire a person to blow on it and pay him like 500 rupees, bro.
मैं बस दिखाता हूँ मेरे पास इससे पहले क्या था. ठीक है.
Dude, अमीर होने का यही फायदा है. You can get a person for everything.
अरे यार और you can get a product also ना. You don't have to get a person. There are
I saw
products.
these Bandra aunties. I had a thing in my head about Bandra aunties ki like, oh, we have a person for everything. Like, is there someone to tell you what an asshole you are? No, we'll hire that. Why you worry? Yeah, we'll get one person for that also.
I like how with all our products you have a product complementing it every time.
Yeah, yeah.
मेरे पास
So it
ये
was
था
not
उससे पहले. मैं ये
इसमें से
यूज
तो ना
कर
कुछ निकलता है यार. इसमें से क्या निकलता है?
अबे इसमें से इसमें हवा रहने की मतलब जगह नहीं है हवा
Yeah.
घुसने की.
इसमें से तो शर्म भी नहीं निकल रही. जो शर्म ये पकड़ने में फील होती है ना वो भी दूसरी साइड से नहीं निकलती है मन में रह जाती है.
What's your product, Bhavesh?
It's your
What have
product.
you
मेरे को
got?
बहुत कुछ है
हाँ?
बहुत
दिखा
कुछ है
भाई.
और मैं तुम लोग
Themes wise
काफी
है क्या?
हैरान हो जाओगे कि कितना फालतू मतलब मैं छोटे से चालू करके एंड में बड़ा निकालूंगा.
अरे भाई फुल.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो ये है एक
It's a USB.
इट्स अ राइट एंगल यूएसबी कन्वर्टर.
What?
Sick.
What?
आई टेल यू द लॉजिक ऑफ इट. इफ यू आर वॉकिंग बाय माय कंप्यूटर मेरे टीवी के बाजू में है और वो टीवी एक उस पे शेल्फ पे पड़ा है तो अगर कंप्यूटर के आगे से कोई वायर
Yeah.
निकलती है और तेरा कंधा लग गया तो पूरा कंप्यूटर मतलब इतना नहीं होता है बट
नहीं.
दैट्स माय
Yeah, yeah,
पैरानोया कि
yeah.
मेरा कंधा लगेगा तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा ज्यादा से
See,
ज्यादा.
तेरे पैरानोया से किसी ने बनाया है ये
बनाया.
प्रोडक्ट तो फिर
ये
it's a
फ्लैट
legit.
रहेगा ना योर यूएसबी पोर्ट विल नॉट गेट टक्ड अपॉन
Yeah.
बट देयर इज अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम विद दिस ह्यूज.
Oh.
ये अमेजोन पे
Not
एक तो ये
huge.
लैमिंगटन रोड पे 70 रुपए का मिलता है और
हाँ.
अमेजोन पे 300 रुपए का मिलता है. अब मैंने बोला कि ठीक है अब मैं लैमिनटन रोड तो जाऊंगा नहीं 70 रुपए की चीज
Yeah.
लेने. यही रीजन से वो बेच रहे हैं.
हाँ.
बट ये लोग ने लिखा है राइट एंगल. अब वो कहाँ से राइट काउंट कर रहा है और मेरा राइट अलग है ना. जब मैं राइट मैंने लगाया तो मेरे इधर लेफ्ट में चला गया. समझ आया. और मेरा पावर बटन कवर हो गया उससे तो मैं नहीं कंप्यूटर चालू ही नहीं कर सकता तो मैं यूज़ कैसे करूँगा. क्योंकि मेरा USB पोर्ट उल्टा था, तो
Oh.
फिर मैंने लेफ्ट वाला
अच्छा
मंगाया।
अलग-अलग साइड के मिलते हैं उस पे?
हाँ,
Oh, they thought of that also.
तो मैंने लेफ्ट वाला फेसिंग में मंगाया, फिर 600 रुपये खर्चा हो गया।
हाँ.
उतने में तो मैं मतलब
वो right आया
टिकुजरी
क्या?
वाड़ी भंजोत घूम के आ जाता था, ठीक है। तो वो नहीं, वो भी आया पर उससे कुछ और कवर हुआ, मेरे को क्लिक नहीं हुआ था कि दूसरे 2 लड़ने लगे USB पोर्ट। फिर मैंने फ्लैट मंगाया जो नीचे फेस करता है ऐसा,
They make one in every direction.
या
ऊपर वाला भी है?
हाँ दोनों है। तो
अच्छा,
नीचे वाला मैंने किया ना, तो उसमें वायर बेंड हो रही थी ना, तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा था घड़ी घड़ी।
The whole purpose you were
या
trying to defeat.
तो मैंने 900 रुपये खर्चा किया और अब मैं नहीं यूज करता हूँ उसको।
I feel like तू बस उसके आसपास से चलना बंद कर दे.
या मैंने थोड़ा पीछे धक्का दे दिया CPU को और सब ठीक हो।
That
solved it.
900 रुपए खर्चा
One of them works, one of them works.
But you can get a wire extender also, no?
I've done some jugaad. I made it flat. Like one of them is in the correct angle. I think the top one worked in the end or something like that. Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
So you got all 4 angles basically.
Over a period of time, I don't immediately go and buy it because I feel guilty that I wasted
Yeah.
money. But 2-3 months later, they're like, अभी भी मेरा कंधा लग रहा है मेरे कंप्यूटर को.
कंधा तो नहीं जा रहा कहीं.
Yeah.
This is the left leaning one, ना?
Depends
ये-
on your USB port.
अच्छा,
लैपटॉप
okay.
का USB पोर्ट अलग
हाँ,
डायरेक्शन में होता है,
हाँ,
PC का अलग में.
अलग
ये तो
होता
मैं सीखा हूँ. ये दुख
Yeah,
में
yeah,
मैं
yeah.
उसे
सीखा.
सीखता है इंसान.
ये एक अलग फालतू पैसा खर्चा करने का ये है कि तू गूगल करता है कि मेरे साथ ऐसा गलत क्यों हुआ, तो तू नॉलेज के लिए पे कर रहा है. यू आर पेइंग फॉर नॉलेज. ऑल्दो दिस नॉलेज इज नेवर गोइंग टू बी यूजफुल. नाउ दैट यू नो कि लैपटॉप का यूएसबी पोर्ट अलग डायरेक्शन में फेस होता है, पीसी का अलग,
what is
तो
somebody
क्या
going
करने वाला,
to-
क्या
Yeah, what do
करेगा?
you go do
Yeah.
with that
कोई
information?
मतलब नहीं है ये बात.
All you can do with that information is pay another 300
Yeah,
bucks
yeah.
and then buy
Just to
another
forget it. 1200 रुपया भरोगी, मेरे को ये यादें निकालो मेरे मन में.
बट वो 3 ही खरीदा ना, लेफ्ट राइट नीचे वाला ही लिया ना,
Yeah,
ऊपर
yeah.
वाला लिया.
ऊपर वाला नहीं है, बिकॉज अगर नीचे इतना बेंड हो रहा है तो ऊपर वो तो बहुत बेंड होगा ना.
अच्छा,
So
बट
जिसने
वो
भी
वही
बनाया-
बचा हुआ था ना, खरीद लेता, खत्म कर देता पूरा.
set खत्म
अरे
कर
ऑल
दिया.
सेलर्स आर डिफरेंट. वो चौथे वाले का ऊपर वाला भी नीचे वाला निकलेगा तो आई हैव 2 ऑफ द सेम
अरे.
वन.
I think they were made specifically for certain people.
Whatever, good for.
These feel
Good
very
for them.
custom made.
But this is good for laptops. I use desktop ज़्यादा, but laptops में ना your mouse is hanging like that. If it becomes, but हवा भी चलेगा, but whatever.
There's no
So this is.
It's okay, it's okay.
This
That
is
is
great way
your-
to start.
This I didn't talk about the purpose of this.
Oh yeah, what is the purpose?
So when your orgy is going on and you are living with other people, let's assume they want to come to your room, but you are having an orgy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is and you know कि okay, I am going to last 60 minutes.
Yeah.
With,
As we always
with
do.
every
Yeah, yeah,
with
yeah.
every person in the
Yeah.
orgy, you'll at least give them their deserved time of 15 minutes.
Of course.
They've come all the way.
All the
dude.
way,
Yeah,
correct.
Exactly.
There's traffic
From
in
Bhandup
Bangalore.
and all you have called them, right? So you set a timer. पहले तो रिमोट से चालू करते को उठ के जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. तो
हाँ,
नंगा है तो
true,
क्यों
हाँ,
बाहर जाएगा?
True, true.
अपने रूम के
ठंड
बाहर
होती
नंगा
है,
क्यों
हाँ.
जाएगा? तो तूने ऑन कर दिया रिमोट से और तूने 60 मिनट सेट किया. बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो उन लोगों को ज़्यादा एंटरटेन नहीं करना ना 60 मिनट से. ये लोग आदत खराब नहीं करनी किसी
Bangalore
की.
में ऐसे ज़्यादा
स्टैंड अप
comfortable
शो
लोग हैं,
जैसा हो
जाएंगे.
गया. स्टैंड अप शो जैसा टाइमर है यहाँ पर.
हाँ, उसके बाद audience
तो
starts to
60
get
मिनट्स
tired.
में बंद हो जाएगा और उसके पहले अपन.
That's also a good reminder for them कि okay, it's time to leave now.
या
नहीं, बट सच में क्यों खरीदा?
अरे it was a night light. There was some period where I was waking up to pee. I was having too much water. I think I had kidney stone, whatever. I was having also. I was
Wait,
waking
one
up to.
second. What the fuck?
You can't
Okay.
just say you thought you had
Yeah.
a kidney stone in passing and
No, I had a kidney
So
stone.
you had it?
I have had it 3-4 times in my life.
Okay.
So तभी अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीता हूँ तो 3-4 साल से नहीं हुआ टच वुड. बट तो तभी नाइट लाइट चाहिए होती है. तो नाइट लाइट ऑन ऑफ करने के लिए उठेगा कौन? इट वाज नेक्स्ट टू द वॉशरूम. सो व्हाइल वॉकिंग यू
Why
डोंट हैव
don't
टू
you
टर्न द
sensor
होल
ones?
लाइट ऑन ना.
why don't you get the motion sensor ones?
अरे वो अभी मेरे को पता नहीं था कि वो होता है. वो बाद में IKEA की वेबसाइट पे दिखा था.
हाँ,
मेरे को.
motion
तब तक
sensor
ये
वाला मस्त
बहुत
होता
सस्ते
है.
हैं.
now I don't use it anymore. Now I go to the washroom like that only.
Okay, now you're a man.
Yeah. So now my fears are not that crazy. But ये उसके लिए था नाइट लाइट थी.
हाँ.
नाइट / orgy light.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah, dude, if I come to your room and I see a duck coming out of an egg, I will want to have sex with you.
Yeah, and I'd be like, fuck.
Yeah.
This is
irresistible
too hard.
after
Yeah. I'm so secure in my masculinity.
Exactly.
And if he gives me this cup also.
Take it.
Yeah.
Take it, dude. Take it.
I don't deserve a 15-year-old memory that you have. So it's okay. You guys are not ready for the next one. I'm so excited. That's why I'm like
What is it?
jumping.
What is
But
it? What is
because
it?
when I was putting it in my bag, I was going around my house. I'm like, what rubbish do I buy? Yaar? So this is a toe separator.
No.
It's a toe
It's a toe separator. When you walk, your toes will remain separated.
What, one toe for one girl you get for your orgy?
Yeah.
I
I tie all of them together.
wanted to say कि can I I
No,
don't
I
want
washed it under soap, but it's fine if you. I understand.
don't-
No,
no,
don't do
yeah.
it.
No, I don't
no,
want
but you have to send us a photo of your legs.
Of you using it?
Yeah.
I'm not doing
Okay.
that.
अबे,
You
people
want to get
with
more
foot-
views or less?
people with foot fetish will
Yeah,
just
join our members club. For
Join a Patreon for feet pics with separator. But they'll just be uploading that file feet pics with separator.jpg. You're like, what the fuck am I doing with my life? मैं investment banking में घुस जाता तो ये सब चूतियागिरी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Just imagine that PNG file, dude, which you're uploading, and some poor person on Photoshop has to remove the background just to make your feet prominent.
I have to put it in the video.
Yeah.
we have to tell the editor, hey, wait, sending you some pics. एक
Yeah.
मिले अबे और किसी को भेज रहा था ये क्या भेज
क्या
रहा है
भेज दिया,
यार?
yeah.
But wait, why do you use this?
I'll tell you, I don't use it anymore. I used it when it was required and it changed my life.
Oh, okay.
So मैंने गलती से बीच में मेरे सारे जूते हैं ना, these are like, I don't know if this comes in the frame, they are wide-toed
Got it.
shoes. So एक गलती से मैंने नैरो जूता लिया ना, तो वो जब मैंने पहना ना 2-3 दिन, तो मेरे को वो मैंने मासूम को दे दिया बाद में वो जूता, उसको अच्छा लगा, मैं बोला ठीक है. तो बेसिकली वो जूता मेरे को टो में पेन होने लगा. आई रियलाइज बिकॉज वो आगे से थोड़ा सिकुड़ रहा है. So then I wore this for 1 week and genuinely that toe was hurting for 1 week. When I was wearing this, it was opening up because my toes had become like this. So when I wore this, वो थोड़ा वापस सब खुलने लगा.
Oh.
And now I threw away one more shoe I had, narrow toed.
Yeah.
I threw it away and I only buy wide toed now.
Oh, I mean, see, I also have like wide feet and वो Converse
Don't
Converse
wear.
पहनता था ना मैं पहले भी.
It
You used to-
permanently alters because मैं squat watts का मैं जिम के videos देखता हूँ, squat watts में भी ना they show you the कि like what kind of shoes you're supposed to get for squats, deadlifts and all. So they say कि your toes should not because they permanently become like that. And your human feet are not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be all toes supposed to be separate.
My Converse and all used to tear from the side क्योंकि मेरा
Don't do that.
पैर ऐसा पूरा आ जाता था.
You'll
भाई.
take long time to undo
अरे
it.
नहीं, it's too narrow. अबे तेरे को नहीं पता यार ये छोटे पैर वाले क्या पता भाई अब.
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब ये wide वाले wide
यार normal size है यार, बस
wide वाले में it's an actual problem. I didn't know there was a solution to that.
The
wait, can
problem
you
is
put
the-
shoes on with these
No, I used to just walk around in my house without shoes or slippers.
like a penguin.
Yeah, it was not that easy, but I did it for 10 days and it fixed the problem because
Okay.
but the problem is कि ये product का जो photos है, it's all women wearing it because they wear heels and all.
Yeah, yeah.
This is not a woman specific product. Men are so
Why
afraid
not?
to buy these things.
Yeah.
मतलब मर्दों को
Oh,
लगता
you're
है कि
saying
वो
it's a unisex product, not
yeah, for
okay.
me. But
हाँ.
then men are going to be like, oh, मैं क्या औरत है क्या? क्या सिलिकॉन पहन के घूमेगा और क्या चूड़ी भी दे दूँ क्या लौड़े? Men think like
मेरा
that. They don't
पैर-
think that it's a practical purpose, you know.
मैं चलना बंद कर दूंगा मगर ये
Yeah.
नहीं पहनूंगा.
Ever since people
चुड़ैल जैसा मेरा पैर घुमा ही देना फिर.
But wait, 10 दिन पहना ठीक हो गया उसके बाद?
बिकॉज मैंने बहुत जल्दी प्रॉब्लम पकड़ा. मतलब मेरे को एक हफ्ते में ही पेन होने लगा. लाइक ये
नहीं,
जूता
now I also wear wide वाले जूते. I don't.
Yeah. You have to be
wear
careful.
anything.
This is my favorite product. Till
So
now.
this
I love
I
this-
was
this-
so confused what it
Two
was.
separate-
I've never heard
I
or
thought like a
seen this.
tooth cleaner or something like that.
हाँ, ये
I don't
braces
know.
जैसे
braces
दिखते
type.
थोड़े.
Yeah.
and women, they are showing women in the photos of this product and women are all like ballerina wearing all this. I'm like, इतना feminized क्यों कर रहे हो यार? मतलब
Not even
हाँ,
normal
Yeah.
women walking on the
मर्द भी
street.
कर सकते हैं ऐसा
nothing
यार.
like that. Now I want to show
I-
you.
It's not that, dude. That's a
I
lot.
love it.
Yeah, it's a lot. But I तो ये हो गया. Okay.
ये तो है ही, ये तो है ही. I have the same. मेरे को भी याद नहीं कहाँ से आया है ये, कभी तो
Dude,
खरीदा
it
होगा
hurts.
मैंने.
I don't go to the gym today. I use this.
वो मेरे जिम में वो wrist वाला
हाँ.
ये होता था. This is like that only.
Yeah, dude. मैं वो कंप्यूटर का फिल्टर निकाल के उसका हवा निकाल के. And while you're doing it, you start rethinking all the decisions on your life that got you to this point. Because when you're like in your 30s, you're in your 30s
Yeah.
and not married.
Yeah.
And you're sitting with a filter of dust on your bed and just doing this and thinking, you know, I have not met my friends this weekend because, you know, they dropped their kids to nursery. You start thinking, ki, what am I contributing to society? What am I doing? I'm just making like my CPU temperature lower by 2 degrees and somebody's raising a child that might become an astronaut or whatever. मतलब, you rethink everything, you know. And I can't even call my married friends and be like, पता है मेरे को 120 में 2 मिलाई है dust. वो बोलेगा तू पागल है क्या?
Dude, same. A lot of my friends like they get married and I'm just like, man, Nerf gun ले रहा हूँ भाई.
Yeah.
Nerf नहीं है वो.
Nerf भी नहीं है यार.
So अभी 2 चीजें और है. अभी लास्ट में तो तुम लोग हैरान हो जाओगे. अभी सेकंड लास्ट इज अ बेसिक थिंग बट देयर इज मेनी ऑफ देम. बेसिकली ये घड़ियां है ना. ये घड़ियां हैं।
Oh, let's go.
ये 2 जिम के लिए ली मैंने।
Oh my
These are
God,
gym
they
specific
look-
watches.
या बिकॉज ये सस्ती है ना, तो मैं जिम में जिम में फेंक दिया, बैग में, जिम बैग में डाल दिया।
फेंक क्यों रहा है जिम में हमें?
मतलब रफ यूज के लिए है ये। तो ये
They actually look very good.
Yeah,
huh?
विराट
the
कोहली
black
की
one is
वॉचेज
very
है,
nice.
रोगन की।
Oh, ये विराट कोहली के watches
या
में भी अच्छा रहा
350 रुपया पीस, 350 रुपया पीस, 700 में दो, 700
तेरे
में दो,
वो-
700 में दो
dude,
बोलो।
That right angle वाला USB जो भी है उसके जितना है ये watch.
हाँ 350-400 ऑन अ सेल आई गॉट, दे कॉस्ट मोर, बट प्लीज टेल मी, डू यू, कोई क्वालिटी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इट्स सो गुड।
I love the yellow one. The yellow one looks so good.
एंड जिम के सारा इक्विपमेंट ना या तो ऑरेंज नियॉन में होता है, जो भी रिस्ट स्ट्रैप्स और वो, या तो ग्रीन में होता है।
Man, I want to get
Oh,
this belt.
टेबल मोड़ क्या
जो
भाई
भी
इतना
जिम का
स्ट्रांग
जो
है ये.
elbow wraps
हाँ,
होते हैं,
हाँ,
they are
हाँ.
all
Also,
in
they
these
all
neon colors
color
only.
coordinate with your outfit.
या तो एक वॉच पहनो या दूसरी, डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट आई एम।
300 रुपए में
You-
अब
you-
कोऑर्डिनेट करने मिल
You
रहा
bought this
है.
offline? You bought this offline? Or
नो आई गॉट इट ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट।
इतना सोचना पड़ता है कि जिम जाने से पहले
मैं तो जाता ही नहीं हूँ ना. मैं झूठ बोल रहा
सोचना
था
नहीं,
भाई.
but
मैं जब हाँ बोला जिम
इट
जाता
लुक्स
हूँ.
नाइस।
मैं घर पे जब
क्वालिटी
या
घर पे जब हाई इंटेंसिटी करता हूँ तब मैं कोऑर्डिनेट करूंगा. मेरे बिल्ली के लिए वही देखेगा
तो अभी महंगी वाली
So
वॉच
these
बता रहा
are
हूँ,
gym-
मतलब इससे
these are
ज्यादा
gym
महंगी
ones,
ऐसे।
yeah. What are
Do
your
you have
day-
a watch collection?
नहीं, I've just started because this Tiffany blue.
Yeah.
I wore it in my new stand-up video.
Yeah.
So then I started getting, and luckily, couple of reels are doing well. After which you guys are like, come for a podcast. So
hey, I asked you to be on my podcast well before.
when you are not at the
And-
company, you ask when you
Yeah.
moved it to your home.
I mean, yeah.
No problem. We'll meet there also.
His podcast is in an office, a
Sure.
co-working space.
Sure.
Yeah, you can
Like-
see people
No,
walking
I'm not that
past.
knowledgeable about Bollywood, but maybe you throw me easy questions. Then
No,
I'll-
but
doesn't.
in like once I was watching an episode and Antriksh is talking and पीछे formals पहन के लोग चल रहे हैं, पीछे से जा रहे हैं. अरे अबे लोग काम कर रहे हैं भाई
Yeah.
पीछे.
But dude, the movies are damn specific. I see my friends, they are on it and they're like, तेरा मेरा प्यार and all. I'm like, मैं क्या जवाब दूंगा? I don't know this movie. They are talking about movies from 1996.
Yeah.
हमने देखी है वो टीवी पे, बट
यार,
नाम
इतना
से
याद
नाम से
नहीं
किसको
रहता.
मालूम होता है
इतना
यार?
याद नहीं
तो
रहता
वो मेरा
यार.
fear है that I'll just be.
Hoshang and Govind have been on, and Hoshang knew next to nothing. And it was still a great episode.
Yeah. It's
But-
fun if you don't know shit about Bollywood.
Yeah.
So you need someone to vibe off who's in the same zone of like two ignorant people and two smart people.
No,
and-
but if you're ignorant, his audience just abuses the
On
fuck out of
YouTube,
you,
yes,
man.
on YouTube.
But that's
yes.
engagement.
अरे
What's the next product?
तो ये
This is
ये
your-
अच्छी वॉच हो गई. तो
Your
ये
gym
जब से मैंने
watches.
अपने स्टैंड अप वीडियो में डाली.
I like how every time he
No, no.
Dude, I really
मैंने-
like that
that color is very
Thank you,
good.
Thank you. तो मेरे को सीधा मैसेजेस आने लगे इंस्टाग्राम रिक्वेस्ट में, सेक्स क्वेश्चन मार्क.
उस डायल की
Sex.
वजह से डायल की वजह से
Obviously, I'm exaggerating, but my friends noticed.
Well, keep
my
that
friend-
bulb on
Yeah.
when we have sex. Keep
Yeah.
this duck bulb on.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm separating my toes for you.
Yeah. Open those toes up, find a baby. No, actually, I just like how it popped. This color popped in the stand-up video.
That's Tiffany
वाला
blue ना.
ये
Tiffany's
stand up वीडियो में काफी पॉप हुआ.
Yeah, yeah.
तो मुझे लगा कि मेरा stand up वीडियो इसके वजह से अलग भी दिखने
नहीं
लगता है.
भाविश, you were just
I-
very good in the video.
नहीं नहीं, थैंक यू, बट मेरा
अगर
वो
तू
बोलने-
ऐसा स्टैंड अप किया रहता तो ठीक है, अलग दिख रहा होता.
नो इट्स एन आइडेंटिफायर. आई वांट
Yeah.
टू कि कुछ सिग्नेचर बन जाता है ना.
हाँ.
और कोई भी सिग्नेचर फोर्स्ड नहीं हो सकता कि ये
Correct.
कॉमेडियन जो तेरा. पर मेरे को वॉचेस में बहुत ज्यादा दिलचस्पी आने लगी आफ्टर आई सॉ दिस इन द वीडियो. आई वाज लाइक ब्रो दिस लुक्स गुड
This
ऑन
looks good on you. Okay.
सो देन आई वाज लाइक बट अभी टिफनी
But
ब्लू
you weren't into watches before this.
Before this, no, last
Okay.
6 months only. I got
Okay,
this in
okay.
Jan, and then a stand-up video. When I was editing it, I was like, ये बहुत pop हो रहा है. मेरे को एक और कलर चाहिए because next video में मैं वापस टिफनी ब्लू तो नहीं पहनूंगा.
हाँ.
So
Repeat it.
तो
What is
मैंने
it?
एक और
Tiffany
लिया.
green?
एक और लिया मैंने.
Tiffany yellow?
Yellow
Yellow
है
है
ये.
ये.
But this is not Tiffany.
टिफनी का ब्लू रहता है भाई.
टिफनी है जो टिफनी तेरी सगे वाली थोड़ी ना सब कलर लेके घूमेगी.
Again, lovely. dude.
Tiffany's
Wow.
is that brand. They have blue.
Nice. What a watch, man.
Dude, these colors are very good.
Sure, go for it.
It's
सिर्फ
brand.
संभालना because
हाँ,
मेरे को
do
छोटी
है.
करवा के पहननी है.
Not even
आज ही.
kidding.
Colour
Not
is
even kidding. The
actually
two colors
perfect.
that I need in my watch collection is a Tiffany blue Casio Enticer. I've been looking at a moon.
मैंने
moon
सारी
phase.
तीनों साथ में रख के देखी.
अबे
Moonface
ये
वाली?
चुरा लेगा भाई.
टिफनी ब्लू में ये फॉसिल, कैसियो और सिटीजन मैंने साथ में रख के देखी.
Oh wow.
But I found this better shade,
Lovely.
This
which I have fossil.
That's
But this is
gorgeous.
citizen.
Beautiful.
Very good
dude.
color.
Gorgeous.
This is मैं ऐसे क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ? This is beautiful.
So a comedian I like on another podcast wears that whenever he's doing stand up.
Who?
Literally, William Montgomery from Kill
What the
Tony.
fuck?
he
I
has
thought
this watch?
He has a yellow dial watch which looks very similar.
It's
So I've been
beautiful.
eyeing it.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
these
watch. So this
colours
is my
are
next
very good.
video.
Next, मतलब I'll just start wearing it now. अभी इसका पैसा वसूल हो गया because
EMI पे
अभी
गया.
1 लकीली एक रील 1 लाख व्यूज पे चली गई. तो इसका 1 लाख लोगों ने
वापस आ
देखा.
वापस आ गया.
देखा ना कितना मैं जच रहा था ना संजना की शादी में, तो सबने देखा रहेगा मेरे को.
But what if that was in fact the selling point and they need more of that?
ऐसा
Yeah,
नहीं
what
है
if in the next video?
ऐसे तो मैं कुछ भी बोल दूं जाके
What if in the next video they like, अबे ये क्या है? ये yellow क्या पहना है?
Yeah, here for the watch. Where is
you have
it?
to contrast it properly. अब जैसे ब्लैक वैक के साथ पहनेगा नेवी ब्लू के साथ तो अच्छा लगेगा
Yeah, नहीं next में thumbnail में डाल के देख ये खाली ये
I'll just make the thumbnail like देख
Yeah.
लौड़ी देख
and then
I shouldn't have said लौड़ी I don't talk like that.
No, you
It's
can.
the persona that's just the persona.
नहीं बीप कर देंगे
Yeah.
बीप कर देंगे
देख कुत्ती.
हाँ ये सब बीप
सिर्फ दे बीप करेंगे
Yeah.
but wait you
Sorry.
have a collection of some sort now
नहीं नहीं बाकी एक दो पुरानी है वो इतनी बट ये
So
मैं
what is
शुरू
the
कर रहा
plan after yellow?
हूँ येलो के बाद रेड
Are there more? Oh, there are more colors. How many
देयर इज
colors are
मरूनिश रेड
there? हाँ.
देयर इज अ ग्रीन एंड देयर इज अ पेप्सी ब्लू मतलब हाफ ब्लू हाफ रेड लाइक नेवी ब्लू एंड रेड
oh
Correct,
मुझे वो
correct.
ये सब सिटीजन के ही है
सिटीजन में भी मिलता है सब ब्रांड्स में ये जनरल जब से ये कलरफुल डाइज पॉपुलर होने लगी है सब ब्रांड्स का अपना अपना वर्जन है यू हैव टू गो एंड सी कि विच ब्रांड का विच शेड यू लाइक
yeah
सो द सिटीजन का येलो वाज स्पेक्टेक्युलर
I've never been-
एंड दिस फॉसिल का ब्लू इज
I've
स्पेक्टेक्युलर
never been interested in watches but these look
This is
beautiful
the
dude
dye,
I
yeah,
want
yeah.
to-
I've been using this for like 5 years
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
I think is it a
And-
30s thing where you start
getting
getting
No, but
interested into
I also
watches?
feel these stand
In
out
watches?
because my friends are buying way more expensive watches and I don't notice because they all look the same. Olive green.
Yeah.
Somebody's husband.
Omega.
हाँ,
Omega.
Tommy
Two,
Hilfiger.
three.
My husband is Seiko. A certain doctor I go to, she's like, I told her, yeah, this automatic watch, it keeps getting reset if I don't wear it for 2 days
Yeah.
and then I have to manually do it. Like my husband has Seiko, he just shakes it like this. So it automatically resets the time. I was like, acha, that's what, like it charges off of your wrist. Like that's
Yeah.
what it gets the
It
energy.
charges
No, that is
That's
a common feature.
So when
of
and
all
I was
these
like, oh, when I
watches.
perform with this on stage, whenever I hit my this thing, na, it vibrates. So I thought maybe it resets.
Resets.
So when I wore it last time, मैंने बहुत जोर से हिलाया, पर वो वही टाइम से
तो
चलने
5
लगी.
साल पहले चला गया
नहीं
क्या?
कुछ नहीं बदला.
अच्छा.
वो उसका पति महंगा वाला पहनता रहेगा तो
अच्छा.
उसमें मेरे को मैन्युअली करना पड़ता.
Citizen में नहीं है वाला feature.
Citizen
Citizen
में
का
नहीं है.
Citizen is manual.
Okay.
This is automatic.
Automatic.
That's
No,
fossil.
automatic. I've heard, like, I have 2-3 friends who have watch collections and also they keep talking about it. That's why I know.
About
I have
Citizen?
no- नहीं, about
Oh,
the
the
automatic
feature.
one. जो
But out of build
wrist
quality
is-
wise, which is better, Citizen or Fossil?
Actually, Citizen build quality is more solid. Fossil, the look of the strap and the color
the color.
is better.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
very
okay.
popping, dude.
Yeah.
So the thing is, Fossil is more of a like a
Fashion.
brand, and Citizen more of a watch brand. So watch
Citizen
brands
more
like
of a
watch brand.
Watch. Correct.
So watch brands like Citizen, Titan, Casio, they are very
Japan.
highly respected in the watch world because they're watch brands.
okay.
Fossil is, they do
It does
just a side hustle. The watch thing. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what
This
is
is
the main
imported
thing for
from
Fossil?
Japan.
Like other
Energy
products
drinks,
bags.
like Red Bull. they
Basically that.
और ये भी
Okay.
मैंने अपने फ्रेंड का कार्ड यूज़ किया. मेरे को वो बैंक का कार्ड नहीं था फ्लिपकार्ट में.
हाँ,
तो
Access.
मैंने अपने फ्रेंड नहीं एक्सेस है HSBC नहीं था.
HSBC.
और ये लौड़ू मैं इसको बोला HSBC का कार्ड बोलता है या और मैंने मंगाया मेरे को सीधा 1,500 ऑफ पहले ही डिस्काउंट था और ऑफ मिलके मतलब आई गॉट दिस 13.5 वॉच फॉर लाइक 7.5 which I'm happy. And this
What?
Chodu didn't tell me he has HSBC because Dua Lipa की टिकट भी HSBC में पहले मिल रही थी और सस्ती मिल रही थी और चूते को पसंद मालूम है मेरे को Dua Lipa पसंद है और वो उसने बताया नहीं मेरे को कि प्री एक्सेस तो आगे की टिकट सस्ती मिल जाती है ना अब तो मैंने पीछे की ले मेरे को कौन सा कॉन्सर्ट में कुछ दिखता है.
I love your obsession with
With
Dua
Dua
Lipa.
Lipa,
by
I
the way.
love
It's-
it.
I don't know
Yeah.
why. It's just the funniest thing
Yeah.
on the internet
You know,
for me.
once I had put a photo of me and Dua Lipa, मतलब Dua Lipa and some other guy, उसमें वो बंदे के मुंह के ऊपर मैंने मेरा मुंह डाल दिया था. And I remember, I knew Bhavish would see it, and the second Bhavish sees it, he'll reply. And Bhavish did reply. I don't remember what he replied, but I think I only posted for Bhavish to reply.
What is it about Dua Lipa which Taylor Swift and Sabrina don't have?
There's a charm about Dua Lipa, by the way. There is.
I just want to see. I want to
मैं
hear his
समझा रहा हूँ
side.
Dua Lipa का
हाँ.
अभी कुछ बहुत चीज़ें अच्छी है वो लड़की वो
हाँ.
तो पूरा पॉडकास्ट हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
पहली बात तो जब मैं जिंदगी जीता हूँ ना वो
हाँ.
गाना सुना तूने I got you
हाँ.
moonlight
Summer
हाँ,
light,
हाँ. तो तू गा गाना गा
नहीं, वो
Summer
गाना-
light तो
नहीं
नहीं है उसमें.
moonlight you're my starlight.
ना ना ना
हाँ.
हाँ भाई.
तो
I
जब
want
वो
you, baby. हाँ.
तो मेरा मन में कैसे मेरी हार्ट बीट चलती है मेरा दिमाग चलता है ना एक वो दिखाते हैं ना वो मशीन पे
अच्छा,
हाँ
हाँ.
मूनलाइट ये जब वो ये बोलती है ना तो मेरी आत्मा है ना मेरे शरीर से निकल के नाचती है नंगी होके.
क्या लेविटेट करती है
हाँ.
आत्मा निकल के?
जब वो ये बोलती है ना तो लगता है मैं अभी घर से क्यों निकलूं कोई लड़की को मिलने के लिए.
लाइक Dua Lipa क्योंकि उसने एक बार ये
वो उसका स्वैगर है वो जिस तरीके से बोलती है, जैसे उसकी आवाज में ना एक
What a 30s podcast swagger use हो रहा है यार.
हाँ तो है तो है
Riz
swagger-
होता है क्या यूज अभी?
नहीं, रिज मर्दों के लिए होता है.
मर्दों के लिए होता है.
अ बॉय लाइक यू वुड नॉट. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
अरे क्या क्या है?
अरे तो तू भी मेरे को रोस्ट कर रहा है. तो वो दुआ लिपा का आवाज जो है ना रैस्प पे, उसके में रैस्प.
Rasp.
हाँ मतलब वो बोलती है, उसका इंटरव्यू में ना बोलेगी ये, ऐसा लगता है कोई भजिया तलता है ना तो जो उसमें से छटक के तेल उड़ता है ना, वैसा दुआ लिपा की आवाज का जादू है.
उनकी feel होता है.
हाँ फील होता है ऐसा. ऐसा लगता है कि कोई रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर आदमी तल रहा है बट एसी चालू है. वो दुआ लिपा की आवाज है. पहली बात तो आवाज हो गई.
हिमाचल में पकोड़े मिल रहे थे तेरे को.
हाँ
Okay.
फिर वो माइक स्टैंड के साथ क्या क्या करती है ये मेरे को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है,
नहीं,
ये तुम
नहीं,
मूवी
हाँ,
करो.
देखा
बट
है.
उसमें आर्ट है, उसका बॉडी लैंग्वेज है,
हाँ.
उसको नाचने आता है.
और उसको इंडिया
Performer
पसंद
है.
है.
हाँ
उसको
परफॉर्मर
इंडिया
है.
पसंद है.
और वो यहाँ पे आई थी तो एलिफेंट के साथ उसने भगवान का पहना.
हाँ.
किसी को बताया ही नहीं, चुपचाप
हाँ,
आके
तो
travel
कल्चर
करके
को भी
चले
हमारे
गए.
रिस्पेक्ट करती है. कभी
करती
घर पे लेके जाओ तो वो नमस्ते करेगी तो सब इज्जत करेंगे उसकी.
हाँ,
दुआ
वो भी
नाम
है.
भाई,
यू कैन
करना
टेक
दुआ
हर.
नाम
हाँ नाम ही
है,
दुआ
नाम ही
है
दुआ है.
बराबर. तो शी इज अ कंप्लीट पैकेज.
Okay, yeah, I see
Fair.
it.
ठीक है.
The last product, yes.
This
ये
is
तुम लोग
This is the
तुम लोग
ultimate.
बिलीव नहीं कर पाओगे एक्चुअली कि ये ऐसे लाया कैसे है. ये दांत है, ये दांत है.
These are actually dentures, no?
No, these are not dentures. This is the shape of my teeth now. After I spent shit fuck ton of money to get aligners, my teeth were different before.
I like the products क्योंकि मेरे को एक भी मांगने का मन नहीं कर रहा है बस. कि मेरे को दिखा.
You were never like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm never like, can I see that? No.
Yeah.
Keep
No,
it,
this
but-
is not gone in my
but-
mouth. This is just a cast.
Okay, so
You can
this
touch
is
it.
the
This is
shape.
to show
This is just
people
a
the shape
cast.
of your.
No, तो जो लास्ट अलाइनर्स जब खरीदते डेंटल अलाइनर्स
हाँ.
जो मैंने यूज किए 6 महीने के
हाँ.
लिए टू करेक्ट योर टीथ,
हाँ.
तो जो लास्ट अलाइनर होता है ना, यू स्टिल हैव टू वेयर इट फॉर 6 months to a year at night before you sleep. अभी मैं दिन में नहीं पहनता, रात को,
Yeah.
to maintain the shape of your
Yeah.
teeth. So this is the shape. Just in case I lose those, I can give back to the lab and be like कि अरे मेरे को और they'll take more money but they'll give me. So this is just the current shape of my teeth in wax form. This is not dirty or anything.
Oh my
But
god.
you have to get it molded, no? Like they have to mold
This
it.
is the mold.
Dude,
This is the mold.
Bhavish,
She
you
told
have-
me
You have to put your teeth in something to get that mold, right?
हाँ,
How
I'm
do they do
sure
that?
for them to
हाँ,
make
so
that
this is
mold.
it. This is it. I don't need to do it again.
No, but
This is my new teeth. These are my new teeth. They have made from a machine. They have seen this is the final product they were going for, and they
I-
achieved it. तो इसमें से
I didn't know you could. I mean, all of
इसमें
this
से
is
अलाइनर
possible.
निकाल के मैंने पहना है,
Oh.
जो मैं रात को पहनता हूँ.
Stamped and always with Bhavish.
How much does this cost?
This
How-
is shit
It has
fuck ton
Bhavish's
of money.
name also. Really?
But it changes your confidence. I don't know. अभी आप तुम लोग मेरे दांत नहीं देखते होगे, but I'm laughing also openly because my teeth are so much better
नहीं,
than.
नहीं, नहीं. अरे look
Yeah.
at dude, people make fun of my teeth online every time. मैं तो बहुत ध्यान रखता हूँ मेरे
मेरे को
दांत
अंडर
का.
बाइट था.
हाँ?
मेरे नीचे के बाहर थे और ऊपर के अंदर थे और ये वो थे.
At least ऐसा
ये
आगे पीछे है. मेरा हर दांत अलग पोजीशन में है भाई. मतलब मेरा कुछ.
You can do this also. You can get this done.
I mean, I'll have to. बहुत महंगा रहता है भाई.
Shit fuck ton of
I
money.
know.
मेरे को EMI में कन्वर्ट किया मैंने और shit fuck ton.
What are your
This is the only EMI I have paid interest on because there's no.
How
There's no.
much is this?
How
How
But
much does
this
it
is
charge?
worth it.
How much does it cost to
Can
get?
you? I did a 6
2
month
lakhs.
plan. Yeah, something like that.
I know the cost. मैंने पूछा था काफी बार.
Oh.
2 lakhs and if वो दूसरा एक का 1.5 lakh कुछ तो है for like something. I know the procedures.
But
I
it
forgot
helps
the
in
names.
stand up. Basically, I had certain budget. I was like, should I spend it on my hair, my teeth? Because my hair people taunt me a lot. My family, nobody cares outside. But my elder sister, my bua and all. And hair, teeth or LASIK. And I was like, let's do teeth first because stand up में stage में बैठा करता है, it affects your confidence.
It
I'm a
does.
little bit more free in
No,
laughing now. And
I clean my teeth. Like I go to the dentist and clean my teeth every 3-4 months whenever I feel like it should be
Yeah.
clean. But I don't. Aligning is like a long-term commitment, man.
No,
apparently
so
a very-
this is so expensive because I took the 6 month plan. अगर 1.5 साल का plan लिया तो it is like half or 60% of the price. But 1.5 साल तक ये पहनना किसी के बस की बात
किसी-
नहीं
हाँ,
है.
वही
करना
ना.
मत ये.
Dude, I
And
didn't
there are
expect-
comedians also
painful?
doing it. They are doing a long plan. I don't have the patience like them to.
Is it painful?
When you get used to it's inconvenient. It's a hassle.
Yeah.
That's why they take payment from you up top because they know halfway through the plan if you abandon it. The only reason I ended up wearing it so strictly by the schedule every week.
Because you were
Because I
still
spend
paying
money
every month.
already up
Yeah,
top.
yeah.
So अभी मैं waste नहीं कर सकता पैसा. नहीं तो मैं
और EMI
100%
जा रहा था ना मगर.
हाँ.
I didn't expect today that I'll be holding Bhavish's teeth.
Teeth and then toes. A lot of Bhavish's
I did not expect
body
the podcast
parts.
to go in this direction at all.
But people
today.
have noticed, they're like, your face looks different, your face looks different.
Dude, but teeth ka, so it's done, na? This is done.
It's
Done.
done, it's done. This is the final form of my teeth, and
Final
the thing
form.
is, it's very rude to advertise. I'll do advertising for this product. I won't say the company's name because they are bastards.
Oh.
Because this company, I told them, you've given me 2 aligners for 1 year. It
No,
gets
no,
dirty
then
in 4.
Say the name and tell them not to go there. No.
नहीं 3-4 हफ्ते नहीं, but they did a great job correcting it.
अच्छा,
They are just really expensive, and ये जो last retainer है ना जो रात को पहनते हैं, मैं बोला तुमने मेरे को 2 सेट दिए, मुझे give me 5 pairs. I'm going to wear it for a year, 2 years.
Yeah.
But they want you कि 2 पैर तेरे 6 हफ्ते में 6 महीने में अगर थोड़े गंदे हो गए, so then you
वापस
pay
लेने
more
आएगा।
money,
Pay
and
more and
I
get
already paid you enough, so वो मैं I don't want to give them free advertising, but the correction it's huge. मैं पूरा अंदर चला गया नीचे के
So
दांत.
this is the model of your teeth now for
Yeah.
future
Even above
aligners.
teeth, the gap closed.
Like, are you laughing more intentionally?
No, I'm
कि
not.
someone says
I'm not
something
shy. Of, नहीं. I'm not shy of opening my just confidence. में आ
No,
सकता
I know the teeth ka,
Yeah.
like I have, like I'm not very confident showing my teeth. तो फिर मैं reel record करता हूँ, sometimes I rewatch it and I'm like, my camera's too up close and I can see those teeth. तो फिर मैं थोड़ा दूर से करने लग जाता हूँ उसके बाद तो I know that
Least
insecurity.
amount of words
Yeah.
in your reel. That's why you're just staring at
That's why I'm staring. I get very. Arey, my teeth are so weird, dude. Like this canine is आगे because there was no space. पीछे, look at this.
Oh.
It comes out. Arey, every tooth is in some other position, dude. I don't know what this is.
So what is on your wish list now? Is there anything you've been meaning to buy?
Oh.
कुछ खरीदना है?
Do you really want to know? Or
Of course we
yeah.
want to know what's on your wish
you know,
list.
like because मैं अपने Amazon में जो save for later करता हूँ ना,
हाँ,
it's
वो-
shameful the things that are saved for later.
Oh, you have no clue what
Shameful.
all I also have.
I have a list now which is called Spender Bender wish list.
Oh, you
it's
segregated it.
disgusting.
Mine
It's
is
disgusting.
I'm
so
organized
mixed.
in my wish list also.
Mine is so mixed. It's not like जो चाहिए फिर speed breaker है
yeah,
उसके
yeah,
नीचे,
yeah,
ये सब.
yeah, yeah. Refrigerator stand piece of set of 4. रेफ्रिजरेटर का एक
अच्छा, नीचे
पैर
जो-
टूट जाता है ना तो हमने उसके नीचे पत्थर रखा है अभी
हाँ।
और बाकी 3 तो चल रहे हैं तो मैं 4 का पीस क्यों मंगाऊं 99 का
एक
और
नहीं
वो भी
मिल रहा।
पैक ऑफ 2 मतलब तेरे को 8 मंगाने पड़ेंगे 200 के और तेरे को चाहिए एक
एक ही बट
मैंने
वो
बाद
एक भी
में-
तो टूट जाएगा ना कभी जैसे यू हैव बैकअप
छोड़ यार बेंचो कौन हाँ तो
But
ये
200 रुपए का है, you can call for 4.
हाँ
Yeah.
that seems like a good deal.
I have to measure my fridge का bottom if it fits. This is a weird
अच्छा।
shape. भाई कौन है झुकेगा वोकेगा बेंचो पत्थर रखा है बेंचो ठीक
What
है।
else is there?
तो अच्छा मैंने ये गंदा एक ही शुगर फ्री प्रोडक्ट जो मैंने रिसेंटली एक मंगाया इतना गंदा आई लव एवरीथिंग शुगर फ्री ऑल द कंपनी मैंने शुगर फ्री ब्लू करैसो मंगाया रिसेंटली वो ब्लू कलर दारू के
रेगुलर
साथ
ब्लू करैसो क्या होता है वो बता
वो दारू ये जो पार्टी तू सिंधी है ना
नहीं पंजाबी
पंजाबी
हाँ।
और वो पार्टीज में एक आंटी होती है ना कि बेटा पूल पार्टी है
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
मेरे लिए वो ब्लू वाला
Blue
लेके आ
वाला
जाना
okay,
बर्फ
okay,
बटा
okay,
बटा
I don't know what this is.
then you take
ब्लू वाला
Oh
then you
the
take it for her
syrup.
चिल्ला अरे अभी तो भक्ति आंटी भी आ गई अभी तो आप तो 4 और लेके आओ मैं यही करने आया था क्या पूल पार्टी में
तो उसका शुगर फ्री वाला.
उसका शुगर फ्री विथ वॉडका है इतना गंदा घासलेट लौड़ा प्रोडक्ट था वो तो उसका मैंने रेड वाला सेव किया मैं मंगाऊंगा नहीं वो गंदी कंपनी
who's
छह
asking
सात-
you for the blue drinks is it for you
नो चिक्स come over they're not asking it's just you have to be
Bhavish's things are either his
I
body
also like
parts
it.
or color specific,
Yeah.
very color specific.
but I also
Is it
keep
Tiffany
trying
blue crosso
तो मैं आजकल दारू के साथ एनर्जी ड्रिंक्स मिक्स करने लगा हूँ
Okay. कौन सी दारू का, कौन
शुगर
सी
फ्री
energy?
देयर इज वन रेज करके RAZE इट्स ऑन Zepto बट वो बहुत महंगा है 120 अ कैन सो देयर इज अ कार्ड
Red Bull
ऑफर
जितना ही हो गया वो approximately थोड़ा ज्यादा expensive.
एंड देयर इज वन कॉल्ड स्क्रीम दैट 75 a can
scream
Yeah,
Scream.
that's only on Amazon. So
Energy
both of them are good. One is pina colada mango. It goes beautiful with booze. That's why I call it sugar free. But the Raze is really pricey. If I'm ordering 10, मतलब मैं 1000 रुपया भर रहा हूँ 12 कैन के लिए.
but sugar free से तेरे को चाहिए ना why you getting sugar free for your guests also
तो मैं क्या अपने फ्रिज में भैंसो भंडार खोल के बैठा क्या मैंने तो उन लोगों को भी ट्राई करने देना मैं किसी का
No, I
nobody
feel like
complains.
sugar free. Yeah, no
Nobody
one will
complains.
complain.
and nobody's gonna complain I'm like you don't have to buy so much
I have seen your reels,
Yeah.
like a lot of your reels of this show. In fact, if you remember the first one, I had said ki love you guys, best
Yeah,
of luck.
yeah, yeah.
But the one with Gautam Govindan where you said I have a white hoodie,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
then he said after my
That's
father
a
passed away.
favorite joke
That is such a good joke.
yeah or are you subbing
Dude,
in?
the funniest, the comments on that reel are the funniest.
Dude, people are
Gautam-
like
Gautam
shame on
going-
you. People are telling him, shame on you.
No, he is the victim of that. So if he's
Exactly,
laughing,
he
we
can
should be
joke,
okay.
of course.
If you're not laughing, then we would pull back.
Exactly. He
People are like, how can you laugh at this? You should be ashamed.
Arey, but it's
He's just making
his-
sense of events by laughing.
Yeah.
Not being
I
a
don't
good
care.
guy.
I thought it was the funniest thing I had heard.
Yeah.
Like the funniest dad joke I heard.
Yeah, subbing in
For
is
your
so
dad. You
funny.
guys ready to come on the pitch?
Yeah. That's very funny, and it's actually like deep also if you think.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah, correct. Okay, so coming to the last segment of the
Okay,
episode.
last segment 3.
So we have done a similar game on a previous episode. The game is that I say what. So it's one of the celebrities has a massive collection of one of these things. Okay, I'll give you 4 options and you have to determine by analyzing as to who that person is. On a previous episode, we had found out that Salman Khan turns out has a massive collection of designer soaps.
Soaps.
Soap, yeah.
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 Apparently, he smells very good
Yeah, apparently.
all the time.
Yeah, I'm not intending to try.
If you ever
And these are
encounter,
just facts
if he
that
ever
we-
shows up at your orgy,
If you're ever like, fuck, who's smelling good
Yeah.
here, dude?
Is he
It's
Bhavish because of the wet wipes?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
Paraben free.
So this one is now a Hollywood edition of this game.
Hollywood.
Oh, Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Okay.
So which of the celebrities has a collection of limited edition Barbie dolls?
Limited edition Barbie dolls.
Barbie dolls. Okay. The options are A. Jennifer Aniston, B. Johnny Depp, C. Salma Hayek, or D. Margot Robbie. I will read. So how I got to know about this collection is I found.
We know how you got to know about this.
how.
Because that's your fucking Pornhub history. Barbie doll collection, Barbie doll in compromising position.
POV Barbie.
Barbie doll in compromising.
Barbie as Barbie. This is what you search.
Savita Barbie doll.
Yeah.
Savita Barbie.
Because you immediately jump to your own defense. By the
I
way,
tell you,
I don't watch all this. It's
Barber meets
No, how do
Barbie.
you know?
So I found this interesting article which said 10 celebrities with unique collections. Okay?
With
Unique collections.
huh?
But a lot of the collections are just the same thing. Everyone's just into collecting figures and figurines nowadays. Okay? So, but this one was the more unique of the lot because it's specifically Barbie.
And
Okay? So, the 4 options again Jennifer Aniston, Johnny Depp, Salma Hayek, and Margot Robbie.
Yeah.
If you want, I can read the caption that they gave for this collection.
No, let us get.
No, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Go for
I
it.
think not Margot Robbie because it's too
Yeah, it's too
of an
obvious.
answer because of the movie and all. But it could also make sense that
I'll
it's
go
for
with
her
Johnny Depp.
because he's weird. That guy
He's weird.
He's
Yeah.
weird and he's the only
Salma,
guy
Johnny
here.
Depp, Margot Robbie, and who's the
Jennifer Aniston.
Jennifer
Jennifer
Aniston.
Johnny Depp also he said.
Yeah.
Johnny Depp का क्या होगा? It would have derailed his court case if this was true.
If this was true,
True,
if he had actually if this came
Like
out
if
in
a
the
guy
end,
was
we would know.
like they would be like अभी इसको नहीं divorce करेगी तो किसको करेगी?
Yeah.
ये तो बार्बी डॉल कलेक्ट करता है मतलब कोई इज्जत नहीं रहेगी वहाँ की।
Actually, yeah.
तो कितनी भी फेमिनिस्ट और लिबरल
Yeah,
आइडियाज ला
yeah,
अगर कोई
yeah,
आदमी
yeah.
बार्बी डॉल
Barbie
कलेक्ट
dolls
करे
collect कर
तो
रहा
कोई नहीं बोलेगी ओ आई वुड लव टू गो आउट विद दिस मैन सारी बातें बोलो ट्विटर पे आके ओ मेन शुड बी इन टच
Yeah,
विद देयर
he's-
इमोशंस या बट नॉट विद फकिंग बार्बी डॉल
He's in touch with his feminine side.
Okay.
आई डिडंट मीन
actually-
इट सो लिटरली आल्सो
Actually, Jennifer Aniston then.
But
I
what
don't
if-
know how he convinced me. I
But
got immediately
Actually,
convinced.
because if it was Johnny Depp, we would know about
We would
it.
know, yeah,
because
court
जॉनी
case
डेप
में
तो
आ
नहीं
जाता।
है मार्गो रॉबी could be so obvious they were promoting the movie so but
Correct,
it was
correct.
too obvious so Jennifer Aniston and Salma
Salma
Hayek.
Hayek.
Salma
Salma Hayek is
Salma
like
Hayek,
old
actually
as
I've
shit.
read a lot about Salma Hayek and I don't
So you don't think so?
Give us some fun facts about Salma
she's
Hayek.
married to some billionaire
Yeah.
yeah
That
that means if you want to marry someone like Salma Hayek you become a billionaire,
Become a billionaire first, that's it.
then I just closed the Wikipedia article I was like,
That makes sense. Yeah.
yeah.
If you has a Barbie collection and
अरे वो तो ऑप्शन में ही नहीं है ना भाई.
अच्छा नहीं
It's
Salma Hayek
Jennifer
का
Aniston
क्या
just
होगा?
by dismissing KBC में ना ये तो नहीं है ये तो नहीं
What if the billionaire owns Mattel?
What if it's the metal CEO?
I can find that out.
No, actually.
नहीं. अरे you know the answer, no?
No, but I
that
can
means
find
he
out if
told
she
us the
owns.
answer because it's Salma Hayek only because
No,
otherwise-
if she owns the
Achha, okay.
thing.
Oh,
नहीं,
I think
I'll
so.
go with Jennifer Aniston. What are you going with?
I think Jennifer Aniston. Just
Yeah,
by the process of elimination.
I think it's the same
Okay, you guys all are saying Jennifer Aniston.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The correct answer is Johnny Depp.
Eh?
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp.
It's
is-
Johnny Depp.
I was correct.
Yeah.
No,
But
were.
you convinced me कि court case में आ जाता, which is a good point.
Yeah,
आना
yeah.
चाहिए
How
था
did it
court
not
case
come
में.
up anywhere?
yeah,
Hey, what is the value of this collection?
They don't say the value of it. He says
Amber Heard-
he has dozens. The article says.
Are they all bruised?
Okay. Apparently, he plays along. So in 2015, it says Depp told Jimmy Kimmel Live he used the dolls to test out movie characters. We played a lot of Barbies, my daughter and I. I used to test characters on her. while playing Barbie.
Yeah, sure.
And then he kept the Barbies, not the daughter.
Yeah, not the daughter.
The daughter didn't keep.
He's like not allowed to come close
Yeah.
to it. He's not allowed.
Everything you're saying is making it worse. You know?
Yeah. No, the daughter had to take permission. Or what? Can I play with your Barbie dolls?
Yeah. Do you guys have collections of anything, or do you guys want to have collections? Do you aim to have collections?
I used to have a Tazos collection, like those Pokemon
Yeah, same.
Tazos
Oh, that's
collection.
I used to have Pokemon cards ka bhi
Both
collection. I used to steal them.
Dude,
I
it
used
was
to steal them too.
Dude, Pokemon cards was such a scam. None of us played Pokemon cards. Did you play?
It was collecting. No,
You
it was
just
collecting.
collecting.
Mostly it was collecting only
yeah,
for
but
me.
they're actually
But
a game.
it wasn't a scam for me because I was stealing anyway. So it was
Hey,
all
I also
free.
stole. That's
yeah,
cool,
yeah,
that's
Wow, no one bought a word Pokemon card.
I bought also a lot, but I stole very specific ones, which were very rare to get.
No, I stole all of them because I just didn't have the money to buy them,
Oh,
and
no, yeah.
everyone
Yeah,
else
yeah.
had a
Dude,
collection around me.
We were
so-
kids. Those were expensive. Man.
Yeah,
That's the thing. You
exactly.
can't.
Yeah.
Who are you
And
talking
you were so
about the
busy with his
cards?
smiley coffee cup that you know.
yeah, drinking.
The duck
Tabhi
coffee
I
cup,
was
not even
drinking.
Smiley.
Sorry.
I was drinking milk then.
What about you,
Yeah.
Bhavesh? You said
Bournvita.
you have an ambition for a watch collection. What else?
Watch, so I want to build, but I have a lot of SSDs and hard drives. I have like 15, 20 external hard drives.
Hard drive
But-
collection is.
But that's not a collect. You're buying that because
Buying them,
for
but then I
purpose.
also
For
try
work,
different
right?
brands की Crucial का ये model. I know the
Oh.
WD green की speed में और WD blue की speed में क्या फर्क है मेरे को पता है.
What the fuck? Wow,
Yeah.
that is very.
और
Okay,
उसमें
okay.
NVMe में क्या फर्क है और 2.5 इंच SSD में क्या फर्क है वो मेरे को पता है. हार्ड ड्राइव एनक्लोजर्स है मेरे पास 6-7 बड़ा छोटा.
Oh.
उन लोग कोई 300
Wow.
Mbps पे चलता है, कोई 500 Mbps पे चलता है.
Wow, यार.
और मेरी डेटिंग लाइफ नहीं चलती है.
Okay, cool.
Okay, is that-
So there's one more.
Okay.
One of these celebrities has a unique collection of antique knives.
Antique
Knives.
knives.
Antique knives. Is it A. Angelina Jolie, B. Bradley Cooper, C. Tom Cruise, or D. Scarlett Johansson?
Scarlett Johansson, Angelina Jolie, Bradley Cooper, and
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise is a creep.
Yeah.
In that way, like you Scientologist है ना.
हाँ,
बहुत
full.
उसको secrets बहुत है. He's not a
Shady
creep.
vibe. Shady
Yeah.
vibe.
There's a lot of secrets. So I would not
He's a
be surprised.
mysterious guy.
Yeah.
And he keeps doing this stunt things.
Stunts
so
and all,
इसलिए
हाँ,
भी
मतलब
हो
वो बहुत
सकता
I'll
है.
actually go with Bradley Cooper. I don't know, for some reason I feel like he would
Right?
have.
Hangover guy.
हाँ, मतलब he's done more
done action
things.
movies
But
also.
yeah, he's done a
He's
lot.
done the
Yeah.
Sniper or something he did.
Yeah, yeah.
American.
I've seen
He's
him
the
in that
Hrithik Roshan
and
of the
Silver
West.
Lining Playbook.
हाँ, वो भी
Silver
है.
Lining Playbook में
Limitless में भी
I
था
watched
वो.
that. But Bradley Cooper, I don't know, he doesn't have that vibe. He doesn't have a
For me, he
nice
does. तो तू
vibe.
खुद का बोलना फिर.
और क्या
और
था?
second और third और
Tom
fourth?
Cruise,
it was-
Scarlett Johansson और Angelina Jolie.
Yes.
कोई-
Angelina Jolie.
कोई फीमेल ही होगी.
हाँ.
Just to
क्यों आवेश क्यों होगी कोई फीमेल ही? क्योंकि चाकू है इसलिए.
नहीं. क्योंकि
कहाँ रखते वो लोग ये
they
कलेक्शन?
want to-
किचन में रखते हैं क्या ये कलेक्शन?
नहीं वैसे नहीं है but I think they want to take you by surprise by this question, that's all.
Okay.
Like you
Yeah.
wouldn't expect it.
Yeah.
Oh,
कि,
I'll
क्या-
still go with Bradley Cooper. What are
I
you
think
going with?
Angelina Jolie.
question
because
is-
we are thinking now there has to be a man. We didn't even consider.
No,
That's
it must
what
be.
I-
Also, the
It
question
It must
is not
be
on the
to
website.
get Brad Pitt away.
The article is just
Angelina
about the article is just about the collection that exists. The
Antique
questions that I'm
knives.
making, like
Antique knives, na?
antique knives. Yeah.
Angelina Jolie because she has done these
Tomb
crazy
Raider.
movies also like Wanted and all where she was a serial killer.
She's Tomb Raider, baba.
Huh?
Yeah,
She's Tomb Raider.
She's Tomb Raider. So antique.
Tomb Raider is not antique. Is it antique?
Tomb Raider पे अच्छी
हाँ,
पुराना.
Lara
मतलब there
Croft
is.
is an
Yeah.
archaeologist. हाँ,
वैसे तो हाँ.
हाँ लारा क्रॉफ्ट तो अभी स्कूल में सिखाती है पता है.
I'll go with Angelina
Angelina
Jolie.
Jolie.
yeah.
Angelina Jolie, we are agreeing because that's logical. I mean, yeah.
Okay, Bradley Cooper, Angelina Jolie.
So who's saying Bradley Cooper?
Me.
You're saying
Okay.
Bradley Cooper.
Bradley Cooper is wrong. Angelina Jolie is right.
Ah, shit.
When did she
Yeah.
get it? After Tomb Raider?
So it says that she has, after receiving her first set of daggers at around 11 years of age, Jolie would attend Renaissance knife fairs with her mother. Now she has like a massive collection. And it says some of the top blades in the collection are reported to cost more than $24,000 each.
चाकू के लिए.
Yeah, चाकू के
चाकू
लिए.
का?
कितने
Antique
चाकू है total?
It doesn't say impressive collection लिखा हुआ है.
Impressive क्या है तेरे
ये
लिए?
चाकू से तो
Extremely
मेरे लिए
impressive collection.
50 लाख है
नहीं
impressive.
bro,
उसमें
24,000
एक ही ले ले,
$24,000
$24,000 का मेरे लिए
वो
वही
तो
impressive
हो
है.
गया bro.
Dude, but वो 11 साल की उम्र से collect. Wow, that is
I mean, that
very.
she's weird, man. She's had a weird life. Her family's weird. It's the
Yeah.
whole thing.
Why
Yeah.
is it weird?
I mean, wasn't there like a video of her and her dad kissing?
What?
On
No, I think brother.
brother or something like that. Yeah, there was something
Yeah.
like that. There's also like she used to wear. So she was dating Billy Bob Thornton for a while.
Ah, that I
Okay, and she used to
remember.
Billy Bob Thornton, and she would wear vials of his blood around her neck.
That's weird.
That is
Nice, yaar.
I don't know if it's weirder that this
It's
happened or
occultish.
you know this.
That's the next question.
Imagine
Who
his
among
Google
these
tabs
has a
collect-
vial of
Oh,
blood?
Yeah. His Google tabs are like Barbie doll in Pornhub. Google is like who's wearing blood in their necklace. What all do you do, bhai? I'll never meet him on a Friday night, bro. God knows what he does.
Yeah.
He texted me, come for my wedding.
Yeah.
Go to his
You
wedding.
go to his wedding,
blood
he has a
under his
vial of
room.
your blood.
Yeah. But
That's
yeah.
your passage of entry. That's how you enter.
maybe.
Right. So
रात को ये आत्मा चुराता है.
So that was one game. The other game, Bhavesh, that we have where we do every episode is our weekly brand debates. Okay, these debates are of utmost important. This is what decides your opinion of these brands, decides the stock prices of these brands. अगर
Yeah.
तुमने कह दिया कि ये तो बकवास है, the stock prices falls, dude. It actually falls.
मतलब
Where is
video
this
में
being
views-
recorded? The
Huh?
stock price. Where is this being recorded?
नहीं,
in our
BSE
brains.
में ही
This is hard
Bombay
fact.
Stock
This is-
Exchange में कम हो जाता है भाई
Yeah,
हम लोग
yeah,
के if the video works अगर 1000 के
Yeah,
नीचे
yeah.
व्यूज आए फिर नहीं होता कुछ.
यार हजार ये सब नूब लोगों की बातें हैं यार.
Hey, you never know, man.
मैं अभी मैं लाख व्यूज हिट हुआ मैंने खोला भी नहीं अपना फोन. मैंने
Okay.
खोला भी वो
Starting
भी
with
क्या होगा
96K
98 पे था. ऑब्वियसली मैं 1 से लेके 98 तक मैंने हर बार रिफ्रेश किया 1000 के. बट अभी कैजुअल हो गया 90 बार कर लिया ना रिफ्रेश.
ठीक है, so then
स्टॉक प्राइसेस नहीं बदल रहे ना तेरे इससे हम लोग के इससे बदलेगा. अंतरिक्ष
Yeah.
हैज रियली वियर्ड other hopes with our podcast. इसको
this is
stock
gonna
prices
this is gonna
बदल दे.
matter, man. I'm telling you, this is like
Sure.
in 5 years, this will be
Sure.
like people are waiting. Ki when will our brand be mentioned on Spender Bender?
Sure.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway.
Let's go. So you guys, Amazon and Flipkart or local stores, what do you prefer shopping from?
For what?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good question.
Depends.
Okay, so electronics. If you have electronics,
गोकुल स्टोर में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मिल रहा है.
like go to Chroma.
मिलता तो है.
मतलब you
अबे
can
क्या
go to-
उसके
go
पहले
to
क्या
Vijay
लगता है
Sales
तू
or
लोग
Vijay
क्लासिक
Sales.
बनाते थे क्या खुद घर
He
पे?
means to say brick and mortar.
Local.
लोकल मेरे को लग रहा है बोल रहा है गोकुल स्टोर में.
Oh, no.
ग्रोसरी स्टोर होगा यहाँ पे.
Local.
लोकल स्टोर.
Local stores.
गोकुल स्टोर.
गोकुल पे क्यों जा रहे हैं अपन यार?
गोकुल में तो
दारू
आइसक्रीम मिलती है बड़ा वो मिलता है
हाँ.
पाव भाजी मिलती है.
Amazon.
Amazon always.
100%. Any day.
Where do you guys stand on the we should be helping out brick and mortar, these mom and pop shops and all that?
I mean,
You
if
guys
it's
worry about that?
convenient for me, then I'll help them out.
So you are
Okay.
right.
Yeah.
Actually, we should care about like obviously when a corporation becomes that big and digitized, it's
Yeah.
difficult for local stores
Yeah.
to compete. So I agree. But electronics, mein the things that these corporations are able to give, that's the easy way to afford multiple things.
Yeah.
There's no cost EMI and all.
No
Obviously,
cost
moms,
EMIs,
they have a
sales,
tie-up with banks.
discounts.
Yeah, they do.
They're the
Oh,
bank
it's
tie-ups.
just
and
easier
all,
to
so-
do that.
So we don't want to do that, but it's what it makes
the-
things affordable. अब
The
क्या
thing
करें?
is, electronics mein I still go and check like those stores
Oh, you
to
still do that?
see if जो भी सस्ते में दे रहा है मैं वहाँ से ले लेता हूँ भाई. I don't
have
have
you
any
ever tried to make
preference.
them match the online price? Because some like
It
Chroma will
works.
do that.
It works.
Yeah, very
You
often
can
Chroma
go to
do that.
Lenovo store and be like, ये देखो आपका लैपटॉप Amazon पे इतना है, they'll bring it down.
Yeah. that's-
Yeah, I mean whoever's giving it to me for the cheapest price,
I
I'll
go for the
take
cheapest
it.
usually.
Yeah.
I actually go for convenience.
Okay.
No,
cool.
I'll
go
go
to
a
the mom and
little out of
store.
my way.
Mom and pop store which gives you कुछ है जो पुराने पहचान वाले होते हैं ना, they give you EMI की आपने लैपटॉप लिया, because लैपटॉप देख के लेना
But
जरूरी है.
बहुत सारे लोकल स्टोर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं EMI का.
हाँ, but तू उसको 20-20 हजार के 3 चेक दे दे.
हाँ.
Check.
तू जानता है, तू बहुत सालों से जानता है तो तू
Oh.
कर सकता है. Like, अगर तेरा
Oh,
रिलेशन
I
है
didn't know that.
that वैसा है तो फिर why not?
Nice.
बट मैं तो Amazon.
Amazon,
Amazon.
mostly
Next
तो
day
Amazon
आता है
only.
यार, मैं रात
For
को
what
12
is
बजे ऑर्डर
Flipkart?
करता हूँ.
What's Flipkart? Okay, cool.
मेरे को फ्लिपकार्ट का ना UI बहुत अजीब लगता है for some. It just
I compare prices wherever
हाँ,
it's
same.
cheaper.
Oh,
I
by
got
the
it
way,
from
I just
there.
found this out. You know, so Amazon, you can buy a product and then return it, and there's no problem, right? If you don't like it.
Yeah.
Flipkart, after a while, if you return too many products, they start being like, oh, you can't return any products anymore. You can only replace.
Dude, Swiggy has started doing that with
What
me.
the fuck, yeah?
हाँ same Swiggy. अरे you know Swiggy में sometimes I'm like I need a refund and I've done it so many times. Now they just like, well okay, email us, and I'm like, you know I won't email you, you fucker. Now I know why you're doing this,
These jerks.
because then this conversation is closed. I'm not going to email you.
Yeah, when I'm broke and I'm ordering food, I hope कि कुछ तो खराब निकले
वही।
खाने में. एक
हाँ,
चीज
एक
मिसिंग हो,
बाल
कुछ
आ
भी
जाए।
हो ना.
कभी कभी मैं कॉफी मंगाता हूँ, स्ट्रॉ नहीं आता है तो I'm like, अबे स्ट्रॉ नहीं है, मैं कैसे पीऊँ ये? And they give me 30 rupees. I'm like, दे दो फिर.
Bro,
30
तू-
rupees.
I didn't expect this from you.
अरे यार मेरे पेमेंट्स नहीं आते टाइम पे
You're
तो
a
फिर
big
मुझे
shot
करना पड़ता है.
influencer. You cannot do all these things.
अरे यार
Man,
पेमेंट टाइम पे नहीं आता, करना पड़ता है भाई ये सब.
So there is a particular Portronics speaker that I like. Okay,
Yeah.
Portronics Dome. I love it.
I have it.
You have the Portronics Dome. the black
Any
one.
speaker, particular
Okay.
जो भी है,
Bub.
he has
हाँ.
it.
Potronics Buzz या कुछ नाम है मेरे
Yeah, so there, Potronics is like has so many speakers, right? So this one in particular, Dome, I bought it and it lasted me for like a good 2 years, and then
2
it got
years.
fucked. Like the charging port got fucked. I called for another one and I sent the old one back. Oh, it's spoiled, and I just kept
After
it.
2 years?
After 2 years, I kept the old one back. Like I got the new one, kept the new one, sent the old one back. Like I'm just returning the new one back to them.
Oh, that's
So I have it for free, dude.
ये तो अमीर लोग कर रहे हैं
This
ये तो
What a
great पवाई में 5
Potronics customer service sent me also a replacement keyboard, but the 4 महीने में कीबोर्ड की 2 कीज चलना बंद हुई मैकेनिकल की, so थोड़ा ट्रिकी तो है.
हाँ, sure.
Actually, Amazon is good for technology and Flipkart is good for watches and all. And
That makes sense. Yeah,
but
yeah.
for technology, computer, processor, motherboard and all, what Amazon business gives you na is something else.
Amazon business specifically.
That's true,
Yeah,
yeah.
Amazon
GST
business. बाकी
वाला.
watches के लिए मैं तो 100% Flipkart. Amazon doesn't have this collection. They have third-party sellers. Flipkart is selling on their own. Retail Net is their seller.
Okay, on that note, thank you for coming.
Sly note.
Yeah, on that sly note,
Yeah.
thank you so much for coming, Bhavish. This has been the end of the
Yeah,
episode.
Thank you.
Okay,
so much
thank
for
you so
having
much for coming. Give it up for Bhavish.
Please
This
watch
is like the
him
end
on
of the show.
YouTube, follow him on Instagram.
Follow, oh yeah, do you want to promote something
only,
specific?
your only
My
feed.
new stand-up video, it took me 2 years to get because big mammoths were getting in the way, and the mammoths को छोड़ के luckily Underground Comedy Club is amazing.
beautiful club.
Comedian run comedy club in Bangalore. So video निकला है, please मेरे channel पे देख सको तो it will be very helpful.
And tell him how much you like his watch, guys.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Lovely watch.
Just
comment
DM
karo.
me sex question mark. Don't do that.
Okay.
Thank you.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Comment
Bye.
whatever. Okay. See you. Bye.